Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Pass the tambourine! It's all about the Tambourine family. I'm here something. I'm here setting. Damn it to the flipping world.
Everybody get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right.
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, yeah. Hey. Up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But I leave up with that bad mind. You can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord.
I Mixup and Blenda time. I Mixup and Blenda time.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling, school bell a ring. Raga avant some Argentina colors. I ain't cheering for Argentina. I'm not cheering for no Argentina. I'm not cheering for no Argentina around here. But me rate Messi though. Me rate Messi though, and him deserve the winnings to the last time. But I'm not cheering for Argentina as a country. Argentina as a country, not like people like me and you, yeah? For a long time, I know. For a long time. Blackamiento. Right? Blackamiento. No. Blanquemiento. Right? In Espanol, white is blanco. In Spanish, white is blanco. And they had a program back in the day called Blanquemiento. The whitening of them country. Because there was a time when more than a third of Argentinia's population was black. And then white people them say, hey, we can't have this. We can't have this. And them say, we just need to wipe out them black people, yeah, man. And them say, this is how we are going to do it. We are going to give white Europeans, poor white Europeans who don't have nothing. We'll make them come here. And over the years, they brought them to Argentina in millions. With the stated objective mean to wipe out the black people. And that attitude has carried over. You know, on the World Cup team, them, you see how much team of black people on them? France, all of the European team, them have somebody black on them, you know. Have some black people on them. Argentina, nah. Looking at South America, Brazil, and black people on them and whatever. Argentina, not happening. If you don't like me, I don't like you neither. If you don't like me, I don't like you neither. And I will support our money count for something. Right? Too long we I go through this thing or whatever. I'm going to tell you something when New Yorkers notice for a long time, right? So I know nothing new man telling you. I know nothing new man telling you. When you go in our communities, everybody sell there. Everybody selling in our communities. Chinese selling in our community. Korean selling in our community. Jews selling in our communities. Most of the Jews store them when you say one pan Flatbush and them place there and Jamaica Avenue and them place there, whatever. They owned by Indians, Jews, Chinese, Koreans, you know, the nail shop them and thing. The cloth place them and them something there, whatever. And I don't blame them. I don't blame them one bit. But may I tell you openly, when me go in a for them community, not even one black person wanna shop in a for them community. And I'm not saying that for emphasis. I'm not saying that for be entertaining, right? I literally mean that. Not even one. Not even one. Right as in a New York City we attack. Me said not even one. Not even one. Right? Now, some of the men are like this. I don't blame them. But them thing is, they could do this, but they're not. So we do it for them. We could take them money. And them spend them money in a for them community. And them support for them own. Right? So I don't blame them. I don't blame them. It's just send the fool a little further. Right? That's why when the whole little thing go down there with the brother will run down the little boy and kill him and thing and whatever and everything. Black people say, like, boycott this and that. You see how them step out? You see how them step out and it to it. Yeah. You see how much video them make? On a can't do without it. Black people, I want to boycott what? On a can't do without it. And them list out all these things where we support them. We spend the money with them. But interestingly, they listed it in a way like them never phrase it that way, you know. What them say is, we have the things you need. There's so much that you need from us, and we have it, right? So them never really say it that way, you know, because they would have brought them one foot. But when me get from it, they're saying, you're idiots. Boycott who? You're fools, you're idiots, and we know you're fools, right? And you're addicted to what we have. We're not addicted to nothing for you. We don't even get that. That's why you don't even know our community. We never show you that support there yet. Right? And that's why today in South Africa, Madiba dead, Madiba aka Nelson Mandela, him dead and gone and whatever. That's why not today, dear. You can't have black people in South Africa now for more than a year beat the shit out of black people. Don't they say them not want them there and whatever. In a country where 70% almost I go up to 80% of the valued resources is owned by the white people there because of an apartheid system that existed before and whatever. And now you turn around and you attack your fellow black people and think, I don't blame the white people them. Until the black people then start realize and then do what them for do and whatever. I don't blame them. If them know say them we're so welcoming and nice and whatever and thing, and them can come over here and eat a food half away and set up legacy half away and whatever, because we are going to support them anyway. Me not blame them. Right? All right. But me and my own little space, you know, so I have a solid sister who listen, you know. Jamila. Hope she don't mind me call her name, you know, because she's not. Jamila is not a crowd person. Jamila, one of them, you know, start, you know, she just kick back and thing, you know. But Jamila said, you know, Raga, if you check out Morocco, man, Morocco nice and whatever, you know. Morocco in Africa. And I tell her, say, me not. I mean, you know, I go just visit them places for learn, you know, but to me, I just feel like we if I go spend my money on them people who wanna like we, you know. Cause Arab Africans not like black Africans, you know. There is open, when I say open, it not hide. Open, for those of you who don't know, open, 2026, slavery of thousands of black people in Libya and Tunisia and whatever. These are in Northern Africa, right? Right now. Right? Non-Arab women, black women, and Asian women, they suffer the worst form of sexual abuse in those Arab communities. by the thousands. They hire black women, sub-Saharan black women, sub-Saharan, below the Sahara desert, where have more black people, keep them passport, sexually abuse them right through, beat them, thing like that, lock them up on this and that are going whoopingly, how long now that are going? Right? So when you see somebody like me, you know, me I drink my tea. When people are killing off certain people and them I say, oh, no, not support you or whatever. You are support we? Look how long we are talking about what are going, right? Look what going on in Sudan, the famine we are going in Sudan, and for how much decades now that are going. You know who are feed that? Arab countries. Right? See them we go right down to Rwanda, it's still a going. And the Congo for gold. Right? You not care about me when I don't want to spend my money with you. Well, I did go to Dubai. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm not gonna hypocrite up the thing, but can me go to Dubai, you know? But I don't blame them. All these people, they stick together, man. Them tight and them support them one another. You understand? And them even make money off of we. and them, if you ever go in and them come in and talk about you set up shop and whatever, you know, them step to you know. Set up what kind of shop. Go sell what kind of jewelry, go sell what kind of clothes. Let me tell you something, I will never forget this. Years ago, donkey years ago, little after I come foreign. Me, you know, Flatbush, the place and they when we wear the hype clothes and things. You know, I talk about hype clothes, I wear that, you know, we're just consumers. There's a part of our thing where, you know, we're becoming producers, but we're not there yet. I'm going to one store on Flatbush in Brooklyn, owned by Jewish people. And that's something I did want to buy. And when I tell the man I want for him, and him say, oh, I know I want it, I not have it. And him say, wait, don't move. I send somebody to get it from my friend's store. So I said, well, I gotta buy it from him and then come back and mark it up for me. Him said, no. I'm going to sell it for the same price that he must sell it for. So I said, hold on. Is it a relative or something? Him said, no. It's just a friend? Him said, yeah, it's just a friend. So I said, you I go out of your way for me wait right here, so. For you send somebody for run go way down a Flatbush and think the person have to jump in and can go way down a Flatbush and do down because Flatbush long, you know. And if you get that something if you come back just so that person can make that sale. Him say, yeah. And I say, why? Simple sentence, the man said to me. Simple response the man gave me. It's so simple that you may listen it and don't even really get it. Simple response the man. I say, why you are go to your way? For make somebody who you know, where I sell the same thing where you are selling, one of your relative or nobody, for make that sale that you go to your way. Why you do that? Simple response the man give me. He said, oh, he does the same for me. He does the same for me. Simple. Obviously, them a work from a paradigm where, we there to make money as individuals, you know, but don't lose sight of the macro picture, which is when the group win, everybody win. When the group win, everybody win. Same thing, me know, and girl, she go one nail shop with Korean. And them I do nail and whatever. And something come up and she ask them whatever about so and so about one next nail shop. And like the woman no one answer, like she a whisper. But because she tell her something about the other nail shop down the road or whatever. And it's like one of them did want to tell her something about the next one. Nick and say, don't tell her. Don't tell her. And how it go? I think somebody in the store now who is not Korean, but she in the store and she me no know. She not Korean, but me no know. But she know what go on because she go there regular. So she know I tell the other one say, oh, I tell her she not want you know say the other nail shop where you talk about them in a competition with. They're in a group. And she explained to say it's like them run it like partner. Everybody put them resources together in a one shop. And then you make a money. And you make somebody else branch off out of the group there in another shop. But them still a pool resources to go and them keep doing that till everybody have a shop from the original shop there. So it's like the woman she try to use an analogy and she says it's like partner, you know. So even though you see one store, you know, it's like a high level partner, you know. So in a way, each person getting a shop is like each person I get them draw. Business so say Empress so is like partner. Right? So them have them problem like anybody else, you know. And for those of you who don't know, some are not too young for know. But back in the day, it did get ugly. It did get ugly between the Asian them and the black people them here. Right? Because here, everywhere you turn back in the day, you know, you'd have like a fruit stall, you know, them look or whatever. And they were all Asian. But them, respectfully, them never really like we. Them like for money, but them never really like we. And to be honest, to the black people, them, New York black people, them will test you, as we say in Jamaica, test your faith, right? Let me say that again. New York black people, them will test your faith. And New York, me I say the same thing over LA. I'm not really familiar with LA, but me I say the same thing over there. But Fambo, big up yourself. But New York black people, them man, them will test your face. I mean, I said the New York black people, them are angel because them keep up them arms out to a piss off the people. Them. But back in, no found no know, but back in the day, man, be aware between these people who own these stores and who come selling in our community. But the reason why black people don't go to feed them community, them not go buy from them. So black people don't even think for go over there. Winston said, Raga, may I look a good single Jamaican lady. Winston, come up in the box, come talk to me. I could see if we get a woman for you tonight. Winston, come up in the chat. Winston, come up, let me see. You not send the request yet? Winston, come up in the chat. Winston. Come up in the chat, Winston. We'll get your woman tonight. Winston. Come up in the chat, Winston. All who want somebody come up in the chat. We can make this happen, you know. You have a whole heap of people out there saying they can't find nobody and whatever. So if a whole heap of people can't find nobody, it means who I look somebody can't have no link for you hook up with the other person who I look somebody. Your match is out there. Anybody who want a man or a woman tonight, come up in the box. We're going to get a man or a woman for you. We're going to get a man or a woman for you. We can't help you if a dog you want. If you want to deal with an animal, we can't help you. We don't know animal language around here for talk to them, for ask them and interview them and whatever. But anybody, Barbara Armstrong, come talk to me. Barbara, what you want, man or woman? Nowadays you can't make no assumption, you know, you never know. Barbara, what you want, man or woman? All right. I'll wait there. All right. All right. Winston, where you going?
Yeah, man. Yeah, me there, Raga. What going?
Big respect, man. Me just want to say greeting and respect my brother and sitting or whatever. Where you there at work or you there home or what?
No, me just reach home from work.
You just reach home from work and things, seeing and whatever. Winston, straight up, don't lie to me. Are you in a relationship?
No, not at all, not at all.
Okay. How long ago was your last relationship?
2 years ago.
2 years ago. So for 2 years now and things like that. And I hear your accent, so you're Jamaican and things. So you would like to meet a Jamaican lady, right?
Sure.
All right. What is your background? No, first of all, tell me what kind of woman you'd like to meet or whatever. And don't be bashful. Just be clear, you know?
No, hold on. No, listen to me now, Raga.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Well, you have something to play back of you and near you. See if you can move her from it or turn it off there.
The radio.
You can't turn it off. Are you a fan pan? Your fan a blow up on you? Are you a fan?
Yeah, man, sure.
Okay, all right. Move her from the fan, because the fan a blow up on you right there.
All right, hold on.
Right. When you draw for somebody, you can't get a blow. Yeah. So what may I say now? You're about to say something when I ask you what type of woman you'd be looking for.
Yeah.
Proceed.
Yeah, I'm saying that I am 60-year-old.
Oh, you're 60 years old. Okay. All right.
Yeah. And I am a security officer.
What does that mean? Security officer, what does that mean?
I work as a security officer at an apartment.
Okay, you're a security guard.
Yeah.
Okay.
But they call it officer, man. They don't say guard again anymore. They call them officer.
Well,
yeah. So the lady that I'm looking for, Raga.
Yeah.
Man, she must be a natural lady.
What you mean? Elaborate. Break that down. Natural, what you mean?
Yes, I don't want any lady that bleach and tattoo and wear those false eyelash.
Okay, no false eyelash.
And I don't want...
yeah, go on.
No bleaching.
No bleaching.
No tattooing.
No tattoo, no
smoking. No smoking either.
What if the tattoo them small?
No smoking.
What if the tattoo them small?
No, I don't want no tattoo. No tattoo at all.
Okay, so no tattoo, no bleaching, no smoking, and thing like that. Okay. All right. What else? What else is
and
a
no false eyelash?
No false eyelash. But what about if she wear like a wig or she put she ketchup her
no
ear?
Problem.
Okay.
No problem.
But the eyelash, you can't work with the eyelash. You can't work with the eyelash.
No, I can't work.
That is a turn off for you. That's okay.
I can't work with, yes, I can't work with the eyelash and the bleaching and the tattooing and the smoking. I can't work with that.
Can't work with that. Good. No. This is important so that you filter out who who probably would want to show some interest.
And then again, Raga, I don't go for women that are too fat.
Okay, you don't want them too plumpy either, right?
Yeah, I want a woman that is shaped nice and slim,
what you mean
but not
by
too
shape
slim.
nice? What you mean by what you said?
Slim and trim, man, but not too slim though,
Meaning you don't want a maga woman. You don't want her for maga.
Yeah.
Oh, but you want her for like trim like one. So
yeah.
But Jamaicans
flat
are
belly
when
and
them
all.
say,
Flat belly. I don't want no woman with no big old belly in front of them and all them things like them pregnant and all them things. Man, like I go and meet one the other day and I was speaking to her over the phone for about 3 to 4 weeks.
Yeah.
And I told her this simple Elaine that I don't like woman with big belly and all those things.
Right.
She was from Clarendon.
Mm-hmm.
Told her and everything, and she said, "No, mommy, look all right and everything and rare. And I guess the picture that she sent me was somebody's picture. And when I went the Friday and I said like something in a miss a while, maybe just wings off somewhere and call her phone and she said she was in KFC.
Yeah, because when I did for meet and thing, but you know, meet her, you just call her and kind of wings off and for see her who answer her phone, don't.
Yeah, and when she come out of KFC and I see her, it was just like a pregnant woman. Me just
Listen to me, now, man. What you say to
man,
me?
just,
What she look like? She a take in down, like she a go Jubilee down.
yeah, and I just cut her off my phone and just lock out my phone and walk past her.
Well, you never go meet her or nothing.
No, sir. When she come out of KFC and I call her when I cross the road and see her. And she answer the phone. And
But like,
I'm say that is,
what you say? Like our belly, you mean the belly just out there? So?
yeah, man, the belly too big, man. I don't want them the big go to man, and I don't want too fat to man.
Oh, you don't want a big go to man and a fat man and things
Yeah,
like them slim.
yeah, man. I want a woman where we can manage that. If she sick or anything, we can lift her up and put her in a vehicle and carry her to the hospital.
All right, then, hallelujah.
I don't want a big old woman where I have to call the whole neighborhood to help me lift up.
Well, you know, easy, you know, if I laugh, I poop 3 times, you know. When you say, you know, one day when a woman who, when she's sick, you have to call the whole community to help you lift her to carry her to hospital, don't
Yeah, and empty. Yeah,
and me I listen, you know, it sounds to me like when y'all are start out to, you know, you want to can flexible with her too and them something they don't.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
And me's a man, Raga. I don't mean, you know. Me's a kind man, you know.
kind,
you know.
man. See.
Yeah, man. Seems to once me go and meet a woman after once she fool me eye.
Yeah.
And me have all 50,000 in my pocket. I mean, get her 20 what I eat, you know.
Watch the man look there, you see it.
Right away, you know.
Right away, you get her a 20 pack and thing and say,
yeah, man, right away, man. From once she fool me eye and everything all right, man.
So well on, you know. So yeah, thus far, you know, you tell with the deal breaker them, the things them where you not work with. What are some of the things that you want a woman to have in terms of qualities? So thus far, you have been pretty precise in detailing some of the qualities that you prefer not to have in a woman of your choice, because you're a discriminating person discriminating in a good way, meaning you know what you want and you know what you don't want. So what are some of the things them that you want? Because the ladies them follow Raga, you know, them are listening right now. What are some of the things them that you want?
I want a lady that is respectful. I don't want any vulgar lady. I want a lady that can speak good and
wait one second. Tal, a man say want a lady that is respectful and him no want nobody vulgar. That just eliminate you, Tal. So Tal, don't come bother the man because we know you look somebody too. And whatever, but the man say wants somebody respectful and not vulgar. So Tal, you get cut out of a picture. Go and talk, Winston. Go and talk.
Yeah, you know, I want a woman that is very much respectful and you know, like no man with too fussy and talk too much, you know. You understand me? Yeah, fussy and one like siren and one like siren, you know.
What you mean? One near me out that take away your money, don't?
Yeah, no, them things, yeah. And
elaborate upon that. The one. For those of you who don't know, it's a Jamaican term meaning siren. If you want is one in Jamaican, so the siren go one. So that has long been a thing in Jamaican to say women who are gold diggers, they're sirens because them just one. Anyway, So no,
yes,
elaborate upon
I remember in Raga.
Mm-hmm.
I remember in Raga some years ago. I was with this woman in St. Thomas.
Yes,
you know, and I was just getting to know her, you know,
right.
Just and every Friday I used to go by her home.
Yeah,
and spend the weekend. Like on Friday I go there and spend the weekend and come back Monday and
so you are not did there. You are not did there.
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
And when you
yes,
go there for a weekend, on do nothing and whatever, you drop off a look at thing and thing. All right, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, she was a very nice woman, man.
Yeah,
it's a very nice woman, man. Well, I know, and I'm sure her daughter, and one Friday, I gave the daughter 40,000. You know, I gave the daughter 40,000. Her daughter was going to a teacher's college.
Mm-hmm.
And I gave her 40,000. And Bapana, I went up by her mother. And it sat the morning. She called her mother. And I tell her mother, I said, but our gas finished. So me I said to her, I said, but I gave your daughter $40,000 yesterday. So man, so why she call me and tell her say her gas finished? And she said, he said, yeah, me give your daughter 40,000. So she can't tell us about her gas finished. Eh?
Oh,
What other thing that you understand me?
yeah.
So you know.
Okay.
So woman, I do some.
So what the mother did say the other time when you tell her, say you give the daughter a 40 pack. What the mother say after you tell her that?
The mother was surprised and I say, yeah, mommy get her 40,000, but the mother knows her social state, you know. Mother knows her social state.
About how old was the daughter them time? About how old was the daughter then?
She was about in her 20s, man.
Oh, in her 20s, okay.
Her 20s. Yeah, when a big woman, she was going to a teacher's college.
Teacher's college.
She was attending a teacher's college. Yeah, she was attending a teacher's college, you know.
So when you get the daughter like all a 40 pack now, like how much you usually get the mother? Or that was just a special money you get the daughter?
No, man. Yeah, three daughter, man, did do something for me, you know. So that same for when I gave her daughter the 40,000 when I reach up there, I gave the mother 80,000, you know.
Oh, double the mother one, all you mean? The mother forget 80 and thing.
You know, and what I did to the mother one time, about 6 months into the relationship, you know, through every Friday when I go there, I was giving the mother money, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes 50,000, 60,000, 30,000, whatsoever, you know. So she was keeping a bingo party.
Mm-hmm.
There, the mother was keeping a bingo party there. So I went there and when I went there, the mother gone to the bingo party. So I called the mother and the mother tell me where the key was. So I went inside and bathed and changed my clothes and I have I have 110,000 with me.
Mm-hmm.
The Friday. So I went away to the bingo party with and sit and was talking to the mother, you know, because the mother was a teacher, you know, mother was a principal for a school, you know.
Oh,
and when I went inside the house and I look into the fridge and you know I see that nothing much was in the fridge, you know, like food stuff. You understand me?
When you open the fridge, beer light, you see on the white of the fridge, don't nothing in the fridge.
No, man. Yeah, man, a few things in there, but not really nothing much. Cause when I go there on Friday, I always stay until Monday morning before I leave, you know.
So what you feel when you see the empty fridge, you know? When you come there and you know you are come there.
No, man, she was a principal for our school, you know, so you know, we always share things together, you know, because we used to go out a lot, you know.
Yeah.
So I never really feel away and I may have my money and everything, so I never feel away. So somebody just went down by which was keeping the bingo party, you know.
Yeah.
And sitting there and was talking to her and she said to me, why Winston, me know saying I have no money, you know, because if you have money, you know, you would have give me long time, because every time you come here, you know, I'm not ask you for money. Just give me money. I said, no, why I have no money, you know. The fear me I forgot one back and she said, why I don't know where I got work for Sunday dinner, you know. I mean, I'm a smile to myself. And
she said she don't know we're not going to look for Sunday dinner.
Yeah, and Papa me I smile to myself, you know. So she said, you know, hungry, I come. We are from to, you know, hungry. I say, yeah, man. So she called one of her teacher, man, and said she must give me some fees. So curry coat, and I take out one juice from out of the glue. Me and I sit down there, I eat it and drink, and me and I talk, and I saw him come pick me up 12 o'clock and carry home. Go home and sleep and wake up in the morning, go 7 o'clock and go to the bathroom for a beer. So she said, where are you going? I'm still going to make me go to Tambourine beer, man, go buy something. And she said, I come here for embarrass me. I said, no, man, I have a little money and can buy little things like a 5,000. I can buy little things. I buy little things, man, because tomorrow is Sunday, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And cause me and her and our small daughter was living there. Our small daughter was about 11 at the
Right.
time, you know.
Right.
And Papa she called one car and we go Marant Bay there. And Papa and I'm going to wholesale.
Yeah.
And we're going to do the wholesale now. We take up one of them big long trolley, you know. Now them big long trolley,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
4-wheel trolley them. Yeah, we take up one of them and start full it up of food, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Rice and flour and cornmeal, everything.
Wow.
Sugar, milk, everything, Mr. Everything.
Yeah.
Juice for your daughter, everything.
Yeah.
Fish, chicken, oxtail, everything.
Wow.
Mutton, everything. And Papa and she look for me. And she did look for me and I said nothing, you know. Salt, fish, everything me take up, man. And when we reach up at the cashier, 27,600 everything come to me. Can't forget. And so I'm going to my pocket and take up my wallet. You know, Winston, I come to kill me after my pin and bury me. And I said, no, man. She said, then we have so much money and I say, I saw man fit test some my time, man. And Papa just pay feet and just get 35,000. So me I go a bar, I go all a trim, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And them things. So just look for some food for me. And she said, what you want? I said, I want some chicken foot soup, man. That was a Saturday, you know. I want some chicken foot soup. And she said, all right, I'm just go a bar and all a trim, man.
Well, I'm curious. This
come back home.
probably not. Was this woman? Was her name Donique?
No.
Okay, all right, go on.
No,
So
no.
you got all that trim and things. So it was a Donique. You got all that trim and then what happened after that?
Yeah, man, and then I just come home back and I get my soup and everything and relax and watch TV and everything and ease myself, man.
Well on. So wait, hold on.
Yeah, man, that's
So hold
7
on.
years, man.
Hold on, man. So when you did go there regularly, you are gear when you reach upon a Friday, you will get a 30 pack, a 40 pack, a 50 pack, a 60 pack, a 80 pack. You will get her money. But a weekend there, you tell her say nothing I run for test her, don't.
Yeah, man. Because she was a kind of man to me, you know.
Kind
Yeah,
of?
man,
What
she be
kind?
kind
Oh,
to
what
me,
she
man.
kind to you? How she kind to you?
All right. Like we used to go watch play. And she bought a player, Del Cita player, Bad Boy Trevor Valia
Yeah.
Johnson.
When you love watch them play, yeah.
Oliver Sauer, yeah, love play and yeah, I'll watch any player always out there.
Yeah.
We as I go. And if me buy the ticket this week, she'll buy the ticket next week.
Okay.
You see me?
Okay.
Yeah, that's what we do. So sometimes me and she and her daughter and her granddaughter and her son and her son woman 6 away. So if I 6 away I go, I may buy 6 ticket. Like I buy the 6 ticket them this week and next week again and this player come out there. She buy this. She buy the 6 ticket them.
She. Well on. Craig, you just United thing and all your post say lie. Sometimes people remember, you know, the natural inclination is to be in the negative here, you know, because that is entertaining and whatever. But you know, I could just listen. You know? All right, so you say she kind to you. So you say she's a good woman, because you say she's a good woman, right?
Yeah, man, I don't know where them man I think at about lie. Me not just come on them thing and just say lie like that, brother. Me not just get up and tell lie like that, man. Me not depend them thing, man.
No, you know, so I know when people are lie right out and you not lie right out, you actually at but sometimes some people just come with a particular attitude and them just tune out because it's entertaining for me.
Oh, me and I really break up because I 7 years me and I define a Raga. 7 years, you know.
Yeah.
So listen, me and I broke up now. One lady will live next door, you know. When I will call her name still.
No, don't call her name. Don't call. Mm-hmm.
Me and a lady.
Yeah.
A lady will live next door. Like lady, grudge me and bad me, you know, I don't know for why not. So one something there. So one sat there one player keep and a lady come over there, come ask about if we are going to play. And we say, yeah man, we are going such that we've left a seat for her. So yeah man, we are going early man. So me and my woman and our son and our daughter
Mm-hmm.
and our granddaughter. We go from early, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and hold front seat, you know. So from where I call Luman phone, the phone now ring. A pure voicemail it I got to. But we never really take it for nothing still, you know.
Right.
And them thing and pop and so they did still and I said, "Chow," and she eventually never come. So after that, no, and then we so after that, no, the woman come over there one time, come borrow $1,000 from my woman, and them thing there. So she will go further, go tell the woman say, but she see me, I buy grocery, give one little boy. So I tell the woman, so me have woman, you know. So me I tell the woman, say, no man, where you get that from? So me never know say she, you know. So when me go find out say she, you know, when she borrowed the $1,000 from my woman, she carry the money go somewhere, go fix it up, you know. And she care about the said money can't give my woman, you know. And every
time, you have to explain the fix up. What would she do with the money?
She can't go I will be a woman also. I will be a man.
How you
put
know
something for the money. So
how you
listen,
know
man.
that? How you know
Yeah,
that?
then I'm going to tell you now. That me going to tell you now.
Mm.
So and every time when me in the house, I come to the house, and my woman look at me like her spirit just grow cross. I'm not doing nothing. And I say, I want to you. No, I'm not doing nothing. I just ignorant. So for me, I never usually stay like that.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I want to you know.
Mm-hmm.
And she did it. So one day me there home now. And she come home and I cry. And I say, I want to you. And she said, Winston, sit down here, so me have something to tell you.
Mm-hmm.
I said, oh, no. She said, why when she come from school, one lady down the road, stop her. And I say, I will hear people and that woman have.
Mm-hmm.
And she said, Winston talk to people. I mean, make Winston there. Winston talk to nobody up there. And me if I cry with him more times, say, when they on road and I pass people, he must tell them evening or morning.
Mm-hmm.
Winston chat to people. And she said, that $1,000 a day with a woman they borrow from you. I said $1,000 a day. She can't give back.
Jeez.
That's why your man can't get a lot.
What you say the woman tell? What you say the woman tell? You say what?
No, man. The woman tell my woman said they said $1,000 bill where the woman borrow from her. I said $1,000 bill she carry. But come here and tell her say as so much she carry go or fix it up. That's me and her can't agree. You see me? And I mean do this woman nothing, you know. I mean do this woman nothing at all, you know, man. The woman has sprinkler
hold on. As somebody come tell you that you know, you don't know if the woman really owe you the $1,000 and send it back for mashing up and whatever. Remember somebody carry news come tell you that.
Man, she do it. No, man, she do it, man. She do it,
so
man.
You believe say when the bad face where your woman did give you, we did it for 7 years, the bad face where she give because the woman owe you the $1,000 and bring it back, and that make the bad face.
Yeah, man, she do, yeah, man.
You don't believe that there can be any other reason why she did give the bad face? You don't think so?
No, sir.
You say she did, but yeah, say basically the bad face and the attitude and the disrespect where she give it. But yeah, say it start when the $1,000 come back.
Yes, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah.
You're sure?
So, yeah, man. I'm positive, man.
Well, them time when the bad face around you, the money did I run like it did I run before. Talk it through. Try and remember. The money did I run.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
What about the sort out? The sort out did up same way. You did that angry business.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
You sure you didn't make her happy and all them something that you fix her up, you put it up on her and you bite her up on them something they don't.
Raga, listen to me now, man. Man, me not tell lies certain way, you know.
Yeah.
I hear from my band Raga, me just plain and straight now, Raga. You know me in you.
Yeah.
In you. And me know in you. Mama, you know me not tell you.
Yeah.
Just by me action.
Yeah.
Me can't tell you say something in you. Me just plain and straight.
You see.
And then me nobody go around and talk.
See it there.
You see me?
See it there.
Yeah, man, it's a plain man. Me not go around and talk.
So based on that now what you say now, like everything did up, you did angry your business, see me say she never have no reason for vex with you. I must the $1,000, don't.
Yeah, man, that man. Yeah, man, that woman is a wicked woman. And
No, but
and,
what I'm
and
saying though, what I'm trying to understand, remember, when people, like, why would this woman get up and in Europe, based on what you're saying, why would she, what would motivate her to hate you? Like, why? What's the reason for that? You that thing she should have more want to hate your woman, not you. But why she want to hate you? Why she end up at hate you?
Well, and that I like you know to and one insane woman where I live in a district there way, so it's come at the yard, come sweep up the yard and all them way there. If my woman, she a tell woman say must get my sneakers and take out the insole care come give her and all them something.
Ah, boy, the Bob, my make me cuss a bad word, you know. My make me. What you do? She tell the woman she will try to take out the sole out of your sneakers and carry go give her for she go goozum it. No.
Yeah, man. When she sprinkle all powder for her, give me big foot and me walk over it and I have me two normal foot said way, man. And when she can't believe it, man. You can't believe it all no, man.
Wala.
Right
why
now,
this
daughter mad.
Who for daughter mad?
They said wicked woman.
The Obia woman daughter. Man.
Yeah, mad. And her son dead. Her son drop out a tree and dead.
And what kind of tree did that climb? Breadfruit tree? Or what?
No, man, no, that was a breadfruit tree. I think it was a
mango tree.
They call it them. No, man. Neesberry.
Him drop out a Neesberry tree?
Yeah. When she used to have one big Neesberry tree in her yard. And
something not for laugh, but something about that sound funny. Me not for laugh. Me not go laugh, but something about that. Just for ears, say somebody drop out a Neesberry tree and dead. Me not go laugh, you know. Me not laugh.
Yeah, cause
something.
You know, my woman tell me say, my woman tell me say, she do it, you know, cause her daughter when bad now used to thief her money, you know, and she used to blame it upon my son. And she used to blame it upon her son, you know, about her son a thief her money when her daughter a thief it.
Wow.
So my woman tell me say she make him drop out of the tree and then me don't know that way my woman did tell me say she make him drop out of the tree.
She will be able to drop out of the Neesberry tree and dead to rot.
That my woman tell me was a wicked woman.
I know say this may not sound relevant, but if me go drop out a tree and dead, I want it to be like a coconut tree or like a big breadfruit tree, you know, or a big mango tree. There was something like, you know, like if you're dead and you go either hell or heaven and go tell somebody, say, yeah, me drop out a Neesberry tree. It's like you don't even have no ratings in a dead land or whatever, this and that and whatever. Like who drop out a Neesberry tree? Who does that? Who like get a Neesberry tree drop out and dead? And that's so weird. But anyway, back to a focus and things. So me still not get do you know why this woman a hell bent for mash up. So you know, me still not get the part there, you know.
And that like you know, I don't know that.
You know, I said that woman that probably did want your body though. You don't have your money and your body. She did want your money. Are you a good looking man? She did want your money and your body. I feel said that woman did want your money and your body.
Hold on, listen me now, Raga. Me know.
What?
She never she's something, but she never attractive to me.
Oh, she never looked too wonderful. She wasn't pleasant on the eyes, right? No. Oh, she looked. Describe her. Oh, she looked.
She very dark, man. Very, very dark.
What wrong with that?
Very dark. As people say black and she not shape good and she not carry herself good.
Oh, she not carry herself good and she not shape good. But some women who are really dark, you know, are quite attractive, you know. You have some dark skinned women out there.
Yeah, man, but she never attractive at all. But she never attractive.
Oh, okay.
And I mean, couldn't have a woman there, so and then go deal with her next door. I mean, I do them thing there. Guys, it's me don't believe as certain dirty style of living, you know? I don't believe in the dirty style of living.
But you know what it could be too, you know.
You understand?
You see, true, you probably all give your woman some good loving and you do the things them with your woman. She enough woman stay so, you know. Them would hear about the treatment, you know, cause y'all do the things them for your woman and want it, you know, and them can't get it, you know. Them
Yeah,
end
cause
up
all
on
I know, listen up, all I know. I you thought what I say now, Raga. I was there one time when my woman auntie dead, you know.
Yeah.
And but my woman called me ready and tell me say her auntie dead, you know, and
Yeah.
but and I'm stop at the wholesale, you know.
Yeah.
Out of center ones, you know. I'm by a portion of things, you know. And by a portion of things, you know, juice and all them things and liquor, you know, and care come that they you know.
Yeah.
And when me buy it and care come to right, man like the woman surprised. She said, wait. You see you buy so many things and care come here. And I said, wait, they know the woman I had bought me buy so many things and care come there. She no business. They know my money and from this man, from this the woman just get wicked and bad mind, you know.
Not true. Well, yeah, some farm, it sound to me like, yeah, say some farmer jealous that they go on this one thing, you know.
Yeah, man, but she, man, but she definitely never fooled my eye at all. She definitely never fooled my eye.
Oh, she never fooled
She definitely never fooled my eye.
Never fooled yeah.
No, she never fooled my eye.
Jamaican talk,
No, she never fooled my
there
eye.
was nothing attractive over this, you know. Yeah.
No, sir, never at all, sir, never.
Okay.
Never at all.
So
See
you
me,
believe that she did mash up you and your woman where they dead for 7 years, and she caused on for mash up?
Yeah, man, she caused everything, man. Cause man, right now the woman they are fine right now, you know. And I mean I still talk on the phone, you know, but the woman it on.
Well, and the woman who got your woman who gonna foreign in Canada, she there?
No.
Oh.
New York, she there, New York.
New York. Okay, she there, right? Yes,
New York. Yeah.
Canada, she there. So,
So,
but you and she turned Christian now?
You know, me and I still talk and everything, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man, me and I still talk and them thing, man. We have a good conversation. So me and I talk serious and them thing.
Right. So it's like
Me and I talk.
like you need to drop up your car, you know, you drop up in New York, you know. You probably could have get back to work, you know, you never know. Well, possible, though. Okay.
Anything possible, yes.
Anything
As where people say from 1 year's life, there's hope.
There you go. Well, I'm sorry that woman that walk over with $1,000 who goes the $1,000 and mash you up still. So, well, bombard, well, so Winston, from 2 years ago, you know, do nothing with no woman.
Yeah, man.
You
But
get
the
something,
woman,
yeah.
the rock, as me I tell us, yeah, man. But the woman, wait, let me find out how them see me just low them.
Okay.
Cause them just around down money. I just money them around down money.
Dirty woman running down money. Dirty woman. Run down money. And you're not frightened over woman them way.
I'm giving them all the money like now Thursday and Saturday I give them a call on my phone want more money again. I can't bother with them.
Run them, man.
Yeah,
Run them. So, but based on the fact that them are going them way, you ever thought of like, you know, bunks a thing different, you know, if you say, if them are money, them are relate to you them way they would. You ever think for like, say, you know what, I need to change my game upon them, you know, and don't lead with money. You ever think about that? You think, say, you could have do that? Like, look a woman without money?
Man. Yeah, man, me do that, man. Yeah, man, me do that all the time, man.
Yeah.
Do that all the time already, man. Me I go meet all woman and have all money for me, man. I have 150,000, 200,000 for me, a woman, you know, man. And them things, man.
So, you do a whole heap of overtime or something, because I know so the sick them not really get no money, them not get no good pay like that, you know, So for you, I pull down them money there.
Let me tell you something about me, Raga. No, man. I mean, a racehorse, man, Raga. Sometimes I can be a racehorse. And when I have some big racehorse, better 800,000, 900,000, you know.
No, but you see, when you play those things with racers, in the long run, statistically, put it this way, you can't win every time you play. So, statistically...
No, but it's not all the while. No, man, I don't really all the while.
No, but most of the time... Yeah, but most of the time you play, the truth is, the longer you play, the more you gonna lose than win, you know.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, man, but me have a account, me have a bank account, you understand me? Me have a bank account and everything, you understand me? I have an account with little money in it, you understand me?
okay, you have look at legacy money and thing like that, though.
Yeah, and everything, so me just, you know,
So you
but I don't really
always have hundreds of thousands, access to hundreds of
no,
thousands.
yeah, come can't go to the machine right now, go draw 100,000.
Can draw 100,000 and thing and whatever, and then
Right now, right now.
Right now. By 100,000.
Yeah, right now.
I said, Nicky, hold this, go buy 10 bag of banana chips, money and run. See it there, boom, you know. And thing
Yeah, man, but them woman, nowadays is wrong, and them want money for buy bleaching cream and them thing, you know.
Oh.
And mark up themselves like black boy, you know. And buy them big dirty fast eyelash and wear, you know.
You have a problem with the fact, why you seem to know like that? The eyelash bother you more than anything else. Because you don't even have a problem with that woman who get buy a little hair and thing and nice up, but you have a problem with the eyelash, no?
Yeah, man, then everybody born with eyelash, so why you put on more eyelash on eyelash?
Oh, but why you don't say the same thing about ear? People, woman put her ear per ear, but you don't have a problem with the ear, but you have a problem with the eyelash.
No, me not have a problem with the ear. Yeah, man, because the eyelash no look good pan some of them. Most of them, the eyelash no look good pan them.
Okay.
So, really,
but one woman up here, she named Sonia. She there Canada though. Me there New York. She there Canada, and you know. Sonia single, I think she's single right now. So if Sonia come from Canada and I drive for you and thing or whatever, because Sonia says she a Jamaican man she want. So if she come a Jamaica and I drive for you,
How she look?
She look good, man. She have long legs and me have a thing for legs, you know. So she have I don't know if you use a legs man like me. Me like legs. But she have nice legs.
I like them thing.
No, but me I tell her say she wear eyelash every now and then. How you da work with that?
Me can't work with that, man. When any me and she are going away.
Yeah.
She can't put on the eyelashes. It's me and I go.
Sonia, me did I put in a word for you, but the eyelash not gonna work, you know. The dog say not work with the eyelash, you know. Sonia up a Canada, Sonia up a Canada. The dog say not work with the eyelash. My whole hard and right there, so no eyelash and thing.
What about
eh?
When say she wear it,
yeah.
She can't wear it when she alone a go, but the men are go, she can't wear it.
Yeah, okay. You have one next one.
Like she go both her.
Yeah, she love wear colored hair. We call her 23. She up here, she love wear colored hair. What you think about she? She like the gold hair and all them something there. What you think about that?
Yeah, well, let me tell you before the ear no problem to me.
Okay, the ear no problem.
Yeah, I just bleaching and the tattoo and the false eyelash and the smoking.
And this, no, me here where you answer.
Raga, I'm tell you something, Raga. Me a 60-year-old and me never smoke it, you know.
Never smoke it, see it there.
Never.
See it there. So, hold on, I know why you feel that way, but we keep it 100 because more time we do them something and the woman say, you know what, I love for him reason and thing, you can't get him digits to me or whatever I send on. And I don't pass it on unless you say, we're not going to put over, you know, pass on the info. But we're going to keep it 100. Them woman nowadays is a thing with them always talk about, you know. Them say like, from them there with them man and thing and whatever. Them say them would do the something with them, you know, like the oral thing, but them I say them no want a one-sided thing. But that's I tell you, say it's a big deal with the woman, them say, if them do it, the man for do it too. So I don't know where you want them to understand about that, yeah.
No, well, so Raga, me near that in Raga.
What? You not swipe?
No, and you know one woman do that to me.
And you don't want no woman swipe you and you not swipe them?
No, I'm not gonna that.
Well,
want somebody decent. Eh?
Also, people who swipe them not decent.
Some of them not decent, man.
Some of them not decent. But me I say people who swipe not decent.
Some of them not decent at all.
No. But you have some decent people who you think swipe?
Yes, man. I mean.
Oh, okay. But you're fear though, you
Then
know. Basically, you're saying you don't want it to be done to you and you not do it and thing and whatever. So weird, when time the woman them did, like the few times that you get it done to you, you never like it never do nothing for you.
what that?
No, the few times when women do it to you and whatever, you never did like it. It never
No,
feel good. You never like it at all.
no man never do that yet to me. No man never do that yet to me.
Well, on. A woman never give her head as yet.
No, sir, never.
You lying, man. You never get her head as yet.
Me I tell you, some me not depend them thing a raga.
Oh,
Straight up. Then
ja.
if a woman give me then money, I tell you, man.
You know, you that
So,
tell you
so when I
that.
have to tell you.
So you never juggle with
Yeah,
a
man,
woman
me
yet and she'll go down for do it and whatever. What you do, you stop her. You ever juggle with a woman
Yeah,
and,
man, yeah,
she'll
man.
go down for do it? Oh, and what you do when she'll go down for do
Yeah,
it?
man.
What you do?
And I mean, tell us, I'm not into that.
Oh. Them ever like start like just grab the jan and fling it in at their mouth and then you stop them?
That never happened to me yet.
Oh, that never happened.
From once me see them, I go on away. Me just tell them say me not depend them.
Oh, for them edge I go down like them ready for get, for them ready for get, like lollipop and the thing and whatever. You just you just stop them. Yeah. And then when woman ask you for do it, you just tell them straight up, say, no, I'm not depend that on my speed, that,
Yeah, man. Woman ask me, yeah, man. I'm tell them say me not depend that, man.
See
Me not
there.
depend that, man. So I find somebody else, man.
You ever have any woman will like draw her from you when them say you're not juggling me there and say, can't bother with that man.
Yeah, man. Woolly for them, man. Woolly for them.
For real, woman stop chat to you because you're not swipe, no?
Yeah, man. Woolly for them. Me I tell you, man.
But star. Okay.
Yeah, man.
So what age, a lady in the chat, she said, what age woman are you looking for? Because since you're 60, they want to know what age woman you are.
Yeah, man. Woman between 45 to 65.
45 to 65. Well, we have the lady who we call 23, we call her 23, but she really 48. So she in the range. 23 ain't in the range. Yeah, you can't throw any application. Make me know if you're interested, 23. And things. So 45 to 65 and thing and whatever. So you say 45 to 65, she must be respectful. She not have no tattoo, no eyelash, right? No tattoo, no eyelash and whatever. And she not supposed to be, your word, fat, want a big belly woman and them thing that she must have flat stomach and whatever. Describe yourself for the ladies, them.
I'm tall. Me tall.
How tall are you?
5 feet 11. 5 feet 11.
Hold on. You say you're tall, right?
Yeah.
Right. And the tall is 5 feet 11.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, 5'11". Okay. And what else, boy?
Yes, and I'm not too slim. I'm not too fat. Me just,
Well, you work out?
I'm a belly no big. Me a flat belly.
Yeah, flat belly. You sure, Winston?
Yeah, man. My belly flat, man. Me a flat belly, man. Because me not drink rum and them thing in a raga. Me not full one special like some boy.
Oh, okay. Right.
You understand?
Right.
Yeah, and I remember me not smoke,
And you not smoke, so.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
So you
that's
take
fine.
care of yourself. Well, you sound like
Yeah,
you a
man.
man, you drink
Yeah,
up
man,
all your
God.
natural juice, them and all them something they do.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. I pure natural juice me drink, and I pure and I love my fish and my curry goat and my oxtail. When I buy meat, them type of meat them I buy.
Oh.
Deer meat,
Okay. Well, you say deer meat. Huh?
Yeah.
Did you say beer meat or deer meat?
Deer meat, expensive things.
Deer,
I buy,
yeah. Oh, deer.
no,
Okay.
man.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, man. Because sometimes go a TGI go eat food,
Really?
Yeah, man.
Well, you know, sometimes you just go by yourself. You go TGI Fridays and go eat
Yeah,
food.
man.
Don't step up in our life, and
Yeah,
then
man.
and of course you bring
Yeah, man.
women there
Sometimes go
too.
a jollies.
Well, jollies, on the
Sometimes go
back
a
road.
jollies,
Yeah, go eat some fish
Yeah,
and all
jollies.
them things.
Yeah, and them things, yeah. And
Pick
I'm going to Acropolis, Go to Acropolis and them
up a
places.
Acropolis, up a Barbican and thing and whatever, don't.
Yeah.
So you know,
And man,
yeah.
sometimes Sometimes go a Pegasus, you know.
Which part of Pegasus? What you gonna do at Pegasus? What you gonna do there?
Go something, man. Go serve myself, man.
But you just go there like
Well,
you just go there like what, a restaurant or something?
yeah, man. Go, yeah, man. When you call it again? When you go to them place and you serve yourself?
Buffet.
Yeah, buffet style. Yeah. Yeah, man.
So
Yeah, man.
you go to buffet at Pegasus, right?
Yeah, man.
You ever bring a woman a date to the buffet at Pegasus?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. And me a couple of women go a la TJ go a food already, man.
Nice. So you're a classy man. You're a classy man. You know, you know.
Yeah, man. I April no ban, Raga. April no ban.
What date of April?
11th of April.
Oh, what are Pisces?
Aries.
Oh, Aries. 11th of April, yeah, Aries. So you say you're Aries man, them well, you're classy and thing, and you give them up and thing and whatever. Quality over quantity. Quality over quantity. Yeah.
Yeah, well, as me I tell you before, well, me don't know about other Aries man, but me know about myself.
Yeah. All right.
You understand me?
Well, you have put a case out there, and you have been very clear about what are the deal breakers in women. That you have been quite clear about, and you have also expressed identified some elements in personality traits that you would prefer to find in a woman. The ladies have heard, a lot of women follow Raga and things like that, and let's be honest, you have quite a few women out there who, them not really running or nothing, but they would love to be in a relationship, and they're presently not in one right now, and things. So I heard you speak, and I probably have some woman out there that would be interested. I know that Donique is going to be interesting. Spiritually blessed, she's going to throw in a look, they may ask and whatever, so they see your link, they saw, people, all of you women, Danielle, Lady K, and all you women who would probably be Sonia, Marcia Goodas, who would probably be interesting and thing. If you could contact the gentleman directly, that would help, but, that would eliminate me as a mediator, as a person in the middle, and thing like that. So, so if you can contact a gentleman directly, I don't know, Sinalicious, Carolee, and Elaine and thing, the gentleman put his case out there, and I'm sure there is some interest there, particularly the Canadians. They sound like you a perfect match for you and thing like this. So I think. But anything else you want to say before you show me down?
Yeah, I see some comments on the line about controlling man. I'm not a controlling man.
Oh, explain that to them, because them wrong about you, talk about it. Yeah.
Yes, because man, I am not the type of man that beat woman and disrespect woman and all them things.
You don't sound like it at all. You don't sound. There's
Yeah,
not.
yeah,
I
really-
didn't mean hear nothing from you
really
to indicate that you're prone to violence and so forth.
Yeah. Me not really have them things.
Right.
You understand me? Me not beat no woman and angle no woman the way shabby.
See it there, idiot man going with them things. See it. Anyway, big up yourself, my G. All right.
So some lady, some of them when they I said, well, they want me no man them thing there.
Yeah. So I wouldn't advise if you give out your number here, because
No, me not give.
you give out your number, Lord, at the careless one, them are gonna run in for you and thing like that. You want the careless one, them run in for you. You have some careless one from Canada and Atlanta and whatever. You don't want those are below your standards based on way, because you're very clear, up here, so you are functioning, you're not the little crabby, pia, something. No, this are your thing there, right? And you're not frightened for certain woman or whatever and thing like that. So them have to raise them standards to come give you any little talk or whatever. So I want to put it out there. And then remember, say you have a little issue to with the woman, them who run down money, And next thing you know, them a come a bother you for money and all them something. So like how them could I get your number if them want to talk to you, WhatsApp you and all them look or something. How them could I do that? What you want them to link you directly in your account?
Yeah, man, follow me, then you can follow me, man.
Yeah, follow the general and link him and thing and all I want to CC and Marcia who Marcia good as verbal expressions 23 D love and thing. Nikki, right.
I see somebody else was me pick up peer sufferer.
Yeah, no, but listen to me, you have to be careful when you remember Ragashanti show, so the people, a lot of people come here, they're very expressive and they love to make trouble, So no pay some of them no mind. Because I say the one them who I say so them not nobody, them not nobody no want them, right? Right? And true, you don't want them want convex with you and whatever, Because you have some woman who believe say, no man nothing no want them, Yeah. Because you have some of them in your sudden tan. You see true, you show you clear. You show you clear about who you want and who you don't want. You see the woman them with tattoo, them are go there and beat you. Right? You see the woman them, the eyelash woman them who you very clear no inner, them are go there and beat you. You understand what I say? No. You see the woman them who are go run down the money and then sitting there, them are go there and beat you and thing. But them now come out and say them have eyelash, that's why they vex with you, But them are go just find fault with you. Not pay them no mind, them are wicked.
Me a whole social friend. Me a whole social friend. We have tattoo and bleach himself. I'm talk to them, but me and them in a relationship. That is my friend them.
Right.
Yeah, so I'm my friend them. Man, me not busy when they want to do it for themselves. For themselves, But that is my friend them.
Right. But you know I take it.
But me not go look them. But me not go look them and try to go to bed with them and them.
Exactly.
If them see me, I take me money and me feel like I give them, me give them. And if me not feel like I give them, I just don't give them.
You just can't bring yourself here and wind up in a woman with paint up. And I hear something of that.
Yeah.
Right.
And bleach out themselves.
You don't want to wind up in an artwork. You don't want to do that.
No, sir. Yeah, mom. So one of them was about was she have 13 tattoos?
Which one? Let me see. Which one does she have 13 tattoos? Let me see. Oh, me not see that. Who says she have 13 tattoos? Oh, well.
China, what you want?
No, she named Marcia Goodas. No, she says she have 3 tattoos and she love money. But me not say, at the 13, at the 3, you see, I think at 13.
Yeah, it look like a 13.
Oh, Mr. Marcia Goodas. Yeah. No, you know what Marcia Goodas. You know what Marcia Goodas. You know I go want she. I be a problem she go give. I can't tell you that or whatever. I know her. I be a problem and give them in a stress and whatever.
See our Empress I about to she have 23 tattoos, eh?
Yeah. Empress Mile. She just said that. But can't guarantee you, so she not interested in you. Yeah, me know what. Yeah. All right. Don't worry about Empress, man. And she said she have 21 piercings. Cause you know like your piercings either, right?
No, sir.
Oh, I seen Alicia's post. She said she love money and she have 13 tattoos. And she post them.
Yeah, that me I tell her, man. Yeah, man. Yeah.
No, you know, I like she do it because she full of shape, and whatever, but she have. No, you probably don't like. Well, you're saying she thick. But in a Jamaica, we distinguish between fat from thick, You like thick woman too, or you prefer slim woman?
But if she thick and look good and her belly flat, that's all right.
Yeah, man, her belly flat and she shape good and whatever, but she strong though, so you can't come and look at Dalios joker thing, whatever, and this a woman, she full of energy. So you have one of them woman that you probably have to choke her when you put it on her because she will reel up on you. So I don't know. You have that something there, You can do that
man.
something there, yeah?
Yes, man.
Like if a woman a reel up on you, can brace her and fling her down on the bed and pump it in her
yes,
and
man,
edge it in her and all. Because so she stay,
Yeah, man, can feel. Yeah, me feel nobody good, man.
You what? You feel nobody good, man. Come, I tell you, so Sinalicious role, she go, the woman that you reel up reel up on her, you have to brace her and thing and whatever, and catch her and thing and send it up and, you know, them look over, I see one of them woman there, you know, so, me, and she had shape on her belly, flat down thing, but you'd have to, you know, like me, you know, me couldn't manage her, you know, because me is a man, me slow and methodical. Because I don't want to sit in me and any woman in and we coming like we are war. I don't join that something there. The other one, the master good, as I saw she stay too. She will kick up and go on. So, but if you know, say you can manage them, Danielle, she had the same thing too. If you can, you know, I don't know, if you can manage them, woman, me can't manage them. I can't manage the excitement.
You see, one of them I say, what's such a business? What's your business something there?
What?
Business oriental.
She said what?
She's business oriental.
She's business. Oh, I think you meant to say oriented, right?
Yeah, or something like that.
Yeah. I think it's business oriented. I would guess that is what you meant to say. Yeah, business oriented. That means she says that's oriented mean focused. It's from the word orientation, you know? Right. So she's all about business and things. Sound like somebody you could work with, you know, ambitious, progressive, upwardly mobile, and so, you know. Right. Empress Milo is saying, what about ladies with nipple rings?
No, sir. No.
You couldn't throw the nipple in your mouth and flick it and play with it.
Sir.
It's just a nipple.
No, man. I'm supposed to come out and go in my motor and go down my throat.
Yo, Winston, wherever turn over here. Now, yeah. Who wants to be swallowing a nipple ring? Nobody does. So me hear what you say. That is not a good idea. At all. But Winston, from what I know, them not gonna come out, so they're not easy for come out, so you know.
Okay.
Them not big and serious. Them not easy for. So you not like the one a tongue ring on them something there.
No, sir. I just want a natural woman.
No, but Winston, some of the women them man have a ring down there, so you know, you wanna work with that.
Yeah, I know that, man. I know that, man.
Oh, but you
yeah, man, but any time at all me find out that I'm gone, you know.
Winston, big and serious now. We are raising like 2G and I think. See me? You are tell me, say, if you meet a nice woman, flat belly, full of shape and thing, look good, cock up, round up down there so fat, the whole works and thing. Full 100 for you in terms of where you want. Personality proper and all them things. No eyelash. What me say? No eyelash and thing. Just natural and pretty. And you and I are date for a while and then she goes so boom. And I run it pan you know and you step to her and make she know so this have to go on right now and thing. And she goes so yeah, Winston, I want you. And she take off clothes and whatever and the boy turn up strong. And you're rip roaring and ready for go. Only if you see one little ring down there, so Winston, you'd really turn back on your naked right there, so you wanna blaze it.
No, sir. That turn me off right away.
Winston, you know what's I'm shocked though.
No, I tell you. No, sir, that turn me off, man.
So you know
that turn me off.
You know could have just work. That is just a big deal breaker. You couldn't just work with it that time there and then.
No, sir. Me I tell you the truth. Hold on now. One time the Raga, me I asked to do some here, but she was a married woman, you know. She looked good, you know. You hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, she looked good and everything, you know. Live with her husband, you know.
Yeah.
She was husband in a St. Catherine area there, you know, look good, you know. She was about 27, 28 at the time.
Mm-hmm.
And every day I start her out, you know.
Every
from
day.
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
And when I was banging her,
yeah.
She just come and give me the start out, you know.
This is a church. This is a church woman. This is a church woman, right?
No man, the married woman.
The married woman.
Different one, right? Yeah, man.
And every day you start
And
out the
every-
murder. As soon as her husband gone, you a Joe grind up in that. Yeah, and then one day what
Yeah,
happened?
man. But what I know?
Yeah.
But she come meet me, you know. I'm carry her to hotel, you know.
Yes.
And one day me I sat her out. I'm saying, no man, something wrong. Let me look to her thing. The whole her tongue long.
What
And,
you
long.
mean? What you mean? We will our tongue long. What you mean? Down there, so?
Yeah, man, long and me ease up off her and say what and I know what she tell me, say.
That what?
Guess what she tell me, say, Raga?
How what she tell you?
So one woman friend of the year, I always come start her road and dry it down.
She said one woman always come start her out and draw down her tongue from what you call her tongue, which is lebi or labai or whatever, and dry it out.
Yeah, man.
So that woman there just
Yeah,
kind of
man.
like elastic it up and dry it down, draw down her woman, draw out her sitting down. So,
Yeah,
well,
man, make
so
it long and-
basically she said, I make it long out and thing and stretch out her chun down. Oh my God.
Yeah, man. Yeah, and Papa me just leave her from that, man.
Well, so you
Let's
never,
leave
but you
her,
never,
man.
then,
Let's
you never
go
say
on.
you stroke. You did a sort her out every day. So you know, say you confuse me though. So if you sort her out every day,
No, let me find out. But let me find out.
So you never did a look
Man,
down there. You never did a look down there.
Yeah, man, but like that the day there, when she come like something just you know me don't know what me I tell you something I mean.
When that day they did extra long down.
Yeah, man, me I tell you, man.
It look like
Yeah, man,
it look
and-
like
and-
it look like the woman does elastic it up and suck it and thing and make it long and then she come run it for you and so you see it long out. So it just kill your vibes down, broke your vibes down.
Yeah, man.
John no.
Yeah, man.
So,
So-
what you
so-
call it? The tongue, the chun tongue, right? You just long out and thing.
Yeah, man, it's long, man. And
So what you did that do? You like come out look a bit and look down there when you see it, you're shocked.
yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Winston, I don't know how you feel, you know. So you wind up in it, you know, Winston, and you did it, you senator and whatever thing, and you go some woman daughter, you say blood clot, and what that my girl, don't it? You did cause a bad word.
No, me never come. No, man, me never come from that. But why am I really surprised, you know? Really surprised, you know?
Yeah, no, I know that's something that shock
Surprised,
you.
man.
Shock you and kill your vibe.
Yeah, man.
You know, John no.
Yeah,
John no,
man.
Winston.
Then just like one time to man, I'm there one married woman to man. We live over Beverly Hills, man. But our husband is bedridden, you know?
Hold on. Winston, you did a start out to a married woman of a Beverly Hills?
Yeah, man. And our husband is bedridden.
Oh.
Because she was about 37, 38, and our husband was about 75, 76, and he's sick.
So you did a security work, you did that do them time when you do that, don't?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
And I'm used up the regular.
Yeah.
I'm in one room and me and she in one different room, you know?
Winston,
And,
you sort out the man
25.
wife in the house when him dead bedridden and you shell her out in the house.
Yeah, man.
Winston, you bad boy. You Winston,
well,
you're
listen, man.
dangerous coot, you know. Yeah. Yeah.
Listen, man. And Bob and at 25 apartment, you know. So man, like she did rent one pastor man one room downstairs there. So one Saturday me there, you know, and see one woman come there, shaped like man. Fling out the pastor man, cause the pastor man do work some rent, you know. Fling out the pastor man and them thing there, and me I say wait and me say but me there as a man I shouldn't tell me that. Fling out the man and put out the man them things and when we find out what I want, so guess how?
How?
No a girl, man. No man, no bisexual, man. Me just.
So the woman who you say she bring the come, you say shape like a man, she look masculine like, and as she come fling out the man out the who not pay the rent. So you a say, oh, you fear jump up in her belly and a shell her out and thing, and she never come send nothing to you. She go bring the other woman that come fling out the man and never ask you. Only for find out that she and that woman that did dead, don't.
Yeah, man.
Papa,
Me just go upstairs for my
Jesus.
things. Like me have some clothes, you know. And me have some clothes there, and me just go for my clothes my left, and all me I go away. Yeah, no, Winston, where you going? I'll know me no look back.
Because
And I know what to I know, Raga.
what?
Yeah, she dead, man.
Oh.
She got married to one prisoner. She married to one prisoner.
Oh.
And I mean, I know when I watch any prisoner, the prisoner fling her off at the balcony and kill her.
John, no, well, we not reach that part of this.
And the boy they are prison right now. The boy get 25 years feet and they are prison right now.
Oh, but it look like he couldn't manage her and the pressure reach him and thing, don't.
Me no know about with a million-year woman because her husband dead live $71 million for her, you know.
Well, me not wrong if you leave, you know, because you never know if our girlfriend will look butcher or whatever. Next thing you know, she a shell out. And one manager, the girlfriend come in with all a strap on for move to you and all them something there. You never know with them woman.
Your man that can't put me not put myself in
Nah, go there, son. No.
Me not put myself in them something.
No, pegging around.
Raga, you hear me? This is not me saying, Raga. But you see, if me, the other woman and woman have daughter, big daughter, 20 or 30 year old daughter.
Yeah.
Me not look for your daughter, you know.
No, you shouldn't.
Me not look for your daughter.
You shouldn't.
Me not depend them dirty type of living there, you know. You
So Winston, you wanna do a threesome with two women?
No, sir.
Oh.
No, sir.
You not do no threesome?
No, sir, because them car for swiping, you know. When I do them things, they think I was swiping.
Apparently that usually happen, but not
Yeah, man, 9 out of 10 times that happen.
Well, no, I say you can't. There are people who do threesome and the man no swipe. The two women them swipe and the man shell them and the man no swipe. You have threesome we go so.
Well, me don't know, but as I tell you before.
So you couldn't do a threesome with two women who swipe them one another, but you not for swipe them. Them not want you swipe them, but them swipe them one another. And you go so boom and sell out one and then switch and go sell out the other one. And when you sell out one, the one they swipe that one there, you couldn't do that.
I was one woman me do that at that time, one woman at that time.
Okay.
Me can't take the me can't take. You answer me?
Yeah.
Can't take them thing there. What you
think about this brother Canada? I mean, Mr. G, and you have one of Jamaica named Fritz. Them love it threesome, you know. Mr. G, a Canada and Fritz.
You let for them thing. I not go really bash them on it. I go bash them on it. I feel them thing that them not use my mouth. I feel them mouth.
No, you're right, but that I ain't a response. I ain't a response to a guy mouth. A guy want to do with female.
No, man, a female to my use, man. A female to my use.
Oh, you mean? Now big up yourself.
My use, man. Me no response to them, Raga.
Yeah, one girl over here too, you know. She named Java Mir. She said she single too, you know. They there in New York. Well, she really but she there in New York and whatever. But fear thing is this, like, a God woman, you know, so she say, anytime it good, you know, any man she there with, you don't have to understand, so from the juggling good, and she not make like juggling, she ever get in her spirit. So Java Mir, she always get in her spirit when it nice, and you could have work with that.
What you say?
You know, man, look good, man, tan good. Me, I tell you, say she tan good. Me, I tell you, say she tan good.
How was she?
Eh? Yeah, most I don't know exactly, but I think say she in a like late 30s, early 40s, somewhere there about, you know. Look good though, take care of herself, eat properly and thing, and whatever, and work out and look good and whatever. Progressive girl, you know, man, and work, you know, and thing and whatever. But she said when it's nice and whatever, she get in her spirit in the middle of it. So I'm just curious, like, can you have boundaries, you know? Winston, you have boundaries, very clear. So you could have worked with that?
Yeah, man, could have worked with that. That's no problem to me, man. Yeah, that's no problem to me.
She ball out hallelujah and this and that and that. You know, no problem with that. You can't work with that.
Yeah, man. Them thing that them when me have sex with a woman and a woman scream out and them thing they turn me on more, you know.
When you start out woman, sometimes them ball out and that, don't.
Yeah, man.
And that turn you
them thing
on,
make me feel good, huh?
make you feel good. You
Yeah,
put it
more.
on them even more, don't. Or you
Yeah,
mean?
more, yeah.
Yeah, you see it.
Mm.
Well, Winston, me I tell you, boy, I'm glad that you first come up in and I'm glad me call you up and you answer the call and thing. But Winston, I'm going to share something with them. I know why you feel now here. You're a ragga show, you know. So you got
Yeah.
most of the people who call, because me I tell you, say you have a whole heap of woman who listen to you right now and want up your body, Winston. Me not ask you. A whole heap of woman listen right now and want piece of you. But you see them woman, they want piece of you. Them are going to be more discreet, you know. Them are going to want kind of move to you quietly and thing. Them don't want nobody in them business and load it up. They say the one them know who are going to have problem with you. And them, may I tell you, because you know, a long time Raga do this. Don't you know it's a long time I do?
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Right.
Yeah, man.
So may I tell you something, I want you feel that way when if you hear some woman call and it to you, you know, that is to be expected, you know. So you have to those kind of hold your strength
Yeah,
like
man.
a man
And
and not pay them.
No,
No,
for the
man.
unexpected.
Yeah, not pay them no mind because
Yeah.
I strongly suspect that you might, you know, you may get a few women who are going to put on a look of beating pan you, but that's a part of the game, all right?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And I just want to thank you for being
yeah.
candid and open and upfront and just, you know, kind of make you know what going on. Daniel, it look like you're late. You say, how old is Winston? Winston told us on several occasions that he's 60 years old, right? Okay. But him explain himself that him is would you say that you look good for your age and you're capable for your age, Winston?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Right.
Yes, man.
Right.
Mm.
Okay. All right, Winston. Respect and honor here, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So,
Blessings.
So anybody want link with us? Just follow me on them thing there.
Right. You know, yeah. Tell him again, Winston. Tell him again.
Anybody want to link me? Good woman me at all. Good woman, good, nice, decent, intelligent woman.
Right.
Natural woman.
Right.
No smoking.
Right.
No bleaching.
Right.
No tattooing. No false eyelash.
No false eyelash.
No vulgar woman.
No vulgar woman. Tal, no vulgar woman. Marsha Prasad,
Yeah.
you know it go with the eyelash. Marsha Prasad, you know it go with the eyelash. No, the bother link Winston here. No bother link Winston. Leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Kim,
Yeah.
Kim, who go with we a Ghana? Kim, who go with we a Ghana? Remember when you go to Ghana, you go with your shorts going at the presence of the Ashanti King. You are eliminated because you wear shorts, so you know for wear shorts. The boss not depend them something there. Decency him want. All right? Decency the boss want and whatever. So when I want the phone, I want to come Kelly a girl and them Marcia good as and thing. Him and in a no excitement with someone and whatever, this and that. Yeah. So nobody can run in on the general. A decent man, the man want. What you did answer, Winston? What were you saying?
I was somebody on the wrong show. Yeah, somebody on the wrong show.
That me I telling I pay them the man. I right show you the pan, trust me. I right show you that me I tell you that. Enough of them I post all in I chat. Them want you. Them listen to you and them want bite you up and them something there. Them want your ears and thing and lick you up and bite you up, Winston. And that me I tell them, I know them, right? Yeah, them want you, them hear your voice and all them something there. And you know, I show them I show off in I chat and all them something there. Cause me know some of them, you know. Them want you, Winston. Pretty one queen. You see that one there when you're pretty one queen? You are fear type. Delmarine Welsh, you are fear type. She will probably carry you go over California and sell you out properly and whatever. You understand what I mean? Don't pay them the mind. Hype them a hype in the chat, Winston. Hype them a hype in the chat. Here? Remember me tell you. Okay. Because I know them listen to you. And even some of them have man. They must say, you a better man than the man with them have. Okay. Right? All right. Big up yourself.
Number one, I mean, no mean, you know. Me's a kind man, you know. Me kind, you know. Yeah, me's a kind man. And from once me interested in you don't have to ask me for nothing. Me just give you things.
Listen to me, Winston. Kind man can get woman any day, every day. Right? The way so much man mean out the kind man can get woman any day, every
but
day.
I know. But woman them nowadays, you know, Raga, them no want no kind man. They want the kind man things and go get the mean man them and don't get the kind man to sort out.
Well,
They don't want the kind man for you there.
well, that are true. No for them woman I saw them still. That are true. That are true. And yeah, them will do that and then them will come and kind to the next man. That are true. That are true. That are true. That are true.
No.
You see that one there when you're all-star netballer? Remember me tell you, man. Yeah, that are true. Anyway, Winston, big up yourself, you know. You see if one of these woman, woman named Carolee link you, me not say guarantee, you know, but she not chat, she named Carolee. But she's very, you see, you very clear about things where you don't want to do and think. I saw she stay too, yeah? So if she link you, give her a tap. Me not say it to work out, you know, but she may link you, you know? But she very principled them way they say, yeah, the type of man where she want. She one of them woman that she said she not do this, she not do that, she not do this, she not do that, she not like this, she not like that, kind of like you. So you and her might align. You may just go together and things like that. Because the two are very disciplined and clear, but one another.
I wouldn't even blossom.
Blossom. She in her chat there. She said, Winston, me love you. So I tell her Blossom like you. Blossom like you. Yeah, man, Blossom probably want you pick her, Blossom. Right? Blossom probably want you water her roots and make it blossom turn in a fruit. All fruits ripe and then run in. Yeah. You understand? Them dead, man. Don't worry yourself, man. See? All right, Winston?
All right, respect. Yeah, respect.
Man.
Yeah, man. Just take me down, yeah.
Yeah, man. All right, respect. Cool.
Yeah.
I follow Winston too, you know, man. Follow Winston. Yeah. Yes, the general kick off is sure wicked. All who over your TikTok, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you're watching and listening, you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you're watching and listening, you're not follow me yet, follow me now. All on over TikTok right now. If you're watching and listening, you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Okay. All right. And then everybody who are watching me over YouTube, remember, the equivalent to follow over here is subscribe, right? So, Daniel, Raga, me have a bone for pick with you. Latte girl, Raga, I want to thump you. What is wrong with you, woman? Eh? What's the expressions of violence and so forth and thing? Can we all just get along? Come on, ladies. Come on. This is not you, right? Why would you want to harm me? Right? And Mas Raga, come on, man. Why would you want to go hurt Mas Raga? Me on a brother, you know. Me on a big brother, you know, ladies. Right? Me could live good, man. And me, I defend you and protect you, you know. Want me to know. You understand? That's cool, man. And nobody want to come beat me and all these things and whatever. Don't. You see it? Marcia, she gets it. Look, it's where Marcia, right? She gets it. Winston was entertaining. See? It's all a matter of perspective, you know? Right? It's context. It's perception. It's interpretation. It's really how you see it. Is the glass half full or is the glass half empty? To use a cliche. It is half full. It might be brimming over. Okay. It's all about perspective. Okay? All right? So we just want to big up Winston for sharing and being so candid and forthright in his expressions and that which he likes and that which he doesn't like and whatever. And now it is for you ladies to realize what a golden opportunity is personified in Winston. And you may want to give some serious consideration into seizing this opportunity to get involved with Winston, who is inescapably a high-value man. And please take note that I'm saying that with a straight face, like this. That's straight enough. right? Fire, what's wrong? What's wrong with my ladies today, man? Come on, man. My ladies, what is wrong with you ladies today? Calm down, all right? Big Daddy Raga talking to you now. Calm down, ladies. Slow your roll. Slow your roll, okay? Let me lead right now, right? All right, cool. All right, so if you're over here, you know, follow me now, see it? Follow me now. And if you're over YouTube, and you know, subscribe to me yet, subscribe to me now over YouTube, right? Subscribe to me now if you're over YouTube, right? Subscribe to me now. You understand, all right? All right. Java Mir, get in a spirit when you do it, big up yourself, you know. All right, Mr. J, say all the boss, Fritz in the top freak. Fritz in a chat over YouTube and thing. All right, Facebook people, big up on yourself, you know, everything is everything, you know. All right, people, I'm going to just remind you of something I mean, I want to know vex, because who never hear yesterday, me just a remind you today. Because I work differently from this. Obviously, I have to work, though. And my work requires, there is something going on with my work where I cannot have a show next week. So next week, you don't know, I have the show Monday to Thursday, but next week, I will not be having the show. I'll be back the following week. Again, next week, neither Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, nor Thursday, I'll be here, okay? And I'll return the following week. All right? So somebody else say he's looking for German 47, looking for an adventurous, open-minded female. German 47, send in a request and you can come up and share with her what you want. And when they say a lady earlier on, she said she wants somebody to whatever. And when I ask her, she says a woman she want. All right? So if you want somebody, come up in our back, come talk up your things and I make you hear what you want, right? You may meet the love of your life here, your soulmate, your eternal soulmate. You never know. Good afternoon, caller. Good evening. Hello. Good night. Melrose. Huh? Asleep, you asleep now. Jesus God, Melrose, asleep, you did asleep now. Melrose, me done hear you already, so I don't know what. Talk to me, man. You did drop a Melrose gone to Claude. Melrose frightening and frig a while ago. She here and here. Melrose, you still there, you know? What go on? You good? Melrose. The poor Melrose I try to take down herself and can't take down herself, eh? Hey, Melrose, how you gonna manage now? Eh? Melrose, you try to take down yourself and you can't take down yourself. All you do is mute yourself. We're still seeing you. Oh, by the way, we are seeing where you're there. We see exactly where you're there, where you lay down. We're seeing you. Yeah, we are seeing which part you lay down. I even your place there are people, man, yeah, there. Melrose, talk to it. Melrose gone, you figure it out. John, no. All right. Melrose cut, you know. Greetings.
Bless up, Raga. What go on?
I'm there in a family, where you say?
There go on chilling. A long time I listen to you from way back in the days, isn't me?
All life, for real.
Yeah, man.
See it there. So what go down here now?
As in the States, a boy, I look for adventurous, open-minded female.
An adventurous, open-minded female. You have a fan of blow up on you?
Right now, yeah, man, I have a fan of blow, man.
Yeah, because
AC and too.
you have fan of blow on the AC and big up your AC and big up your fan. I don't know if you could have just kind of shift from the fan a little bit, yeah? Because it come with something.
Like how the AC and can turn off.
Yeah, like how the AC and turn off the fan, yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right, see it. Adventurous now. Just so for the ladies, them understand, so them not have no misunderstanding. When you say adventurous, explain that, elaborate on that. What you
Adventurous meaning,
yeah.
you know, woman with looking to explore new things, like probably go to all a strip club and say, boy, we there
Nice.
enjoy ourselves at the strip club.
Nice.
And boy, we can't make it. We feel the vibes, or we can't make it to the hotel or back to my house or fair house. So we decide to go in at the club, in at the bathroom there and do a thing. You understand?
Right. So she must have the spontaneity there, you know, forget
Yeah.
busy at unpredictable moments and things like that. Right,
You see
right.
what I say?
You're right.
And the moment there is very memorable.
Those moments,
Yeah.
yeah, unforgettable moments, those, right? Yeah. Strengthen a relationship, you know, them
I
time.
mean, to spice up the thing in a raga.
You see it. So what do you find a woman nowadays? What is the likelihood for you to find somebody like that? Are the women prudes? Are them too conservative? Or do you have a problem of finding women who could be like adventurous like that?
Well, they are there, you know. But some of them, boy, they might try it out one time with a man, and then it not really work out. So they not really want to try it out with one bag of different man. They want a man where they can settle down with and know, say, boy, this are the man where we gonna have a good time, we gonna spice up the relationship, or we can have a thing going on. You understand?
Right.
If I even them I gonna bring in a next woman in the thing, boy, some man don't know self say, boy, I just fun thing.
Oh.
So even if a next party come in, it's just for fun. You don't communicate back with that party.
Yeah, you know, go back there, so right. It's just for
No,
fun
you know,
and
go
in
back
that
there, so
moment.
just-
That's a rule.
Right.
Right.
That's it. That are the
That's
code.
it. That are the code. See. So hold on. You're dating up till now. Have you been able to, you know, date those type of women who are exploratory and adventurous, as you say?
Well, I date one the other day, you know, she came from Miami,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mhm.
But she's a married woman.
Right.
Right. So she came to Jamaica. We met
Right.
and we just talk and we went out, had a good time
Right.
and thing, and you know, she very adventurous and thing up on the night beach, and we do a thing.
Doing
and,
a thing,
you know?
look at shellings and
Yeah.
thing and whatever. And you make
Boy,
sure
you know.
sun never go up in our Jojo door.
Nah, man,
Okay,
man.
cool. Cause that is not
Yeah,
a
man,
good.
the blanket and everything, man. and
Oh,
set
see,
it up.
yeah, and that is adventurous. It's a
Yeah,
playful and thing and whatever and so forth. Yeah, that is
Yeah,
all
man.
right.
So,
But when it's adventurous, do you mean it in any other way that wouldn't have nothing to do with sort out, or it was merely sort out theater?
mainly sort out or, you know what I mean? A woman where tired of her bedroom, she know everything in the bed.
Right.
You understand? Try different things.
Yeah. But in try different things, what are some of the things that you would prefer that a woman do? Like in terms of when una interact sexually, like what are some of the things you want to know say a woman can do?
What I want to know, say,
Yeah.
she can make all my toe them curl up, you know.
Doing what?
Understand when she do that thing there?
What thing?
The big J.
The big headers. So
big
she must can get
headers.
good headers and thing like
Yeah,
that.
man.
But-
And she like receiving it as well.
And she like receiving. We're going to get to that. When a woman
Yeah.
get a good headers, you scored like what makes a woman like? Cause some woman over here think them head game good in and them head game pop down. But what makes a woman head game really good?
We call it sloppy.
Oh, you like that slappy something there?
Yeah, where them know for spit on it and slurp it up back.
All right, not going not too much detail, no yet. Because some of them can manage that over here. All right.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you like the sloppy headers them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the sloppy
Yeah.
blows. As like a sloppy
man.
Joe, sloppy blows and thing
Yeah.
like. So you like when it's sloppy and thing and wetty
Yeah.
and then sitting there,
Yeah.
right? Okay. All right, and then you say you love to give it back too.
Yeah, man, but you want no. You have some woman where
Huh?
them squirt, you see?
Yeah.
But sometimes it make them feel weak in themselves.
What you mean?
When
What
them
you mean?
squirt too much. When them squirt too much, them body get weak.
Yeah.
So sometimes them try to hold it back when them a reach a spot there.
Yeah.
Them hold it back.
Yeah.
Some want a woman feel, even if it make you feel weak. If I even feel a one time, then I you know say boy me have to ease back. But even if we squirt for a one time, you understand?
Me not really understand what you just say. What you mean? Like, woman not
Right.
afraid for squirt?
Right. Even though it make you feel, your body feel weak. If you can say, boy, German, just make me come one time then. Make me
Right.
squirt one time. Now,
Right.
but make me squirt 2, 3, 4 times.
Oh. So, well, your
Understand?
head game good where a woman have multiple, a regular woman have multiple when you put it on them?
Yeah, man, the last time woman me, she squirt about 4 times. I may tell her rag off of the carpet, me have to take her up off her.
Well, that are from the Jew Kings or from the Lee Kings?
Both of them.
Both of them. And she does a squirt, so.
Just a squirt. She never even know so she could have squirt.
German.
See, you have some
Hold
woman
on. German. It sounds like a dangerous in a dog. Like, you know, you have game done. You know the thing done.
A real thing in a ragga. You have some woman with the man for all 5, 6 years. And him never make she squirt it. So in a fear mind, she can't do it. But when she meet up on a different man now, and that man know for touch a spot, search for the spot, find the spot.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
She could go back in her brain and say, John, no, she never knows she could have do this.
Bad. So just like when I ask about what make a woman head as great, use code because you know some people can't manage everything over. What make a good what make a head as like a good head as like a man who know for good give good head as what man for do for give a good head as to a woman, yeah.
You see the clit is a very sensitive part of the woman body.
Yeah.
You have to penetrate it.
We oh you penetrate the clit. Oh you penetrate. All right, so the C. Oh you penetrate the C, the button. Penetrate what you mean penetrate?
Your skin but the skin over but the little skin there so. Right?
Oh.
And you use your tongue.
But from what I have read, you know, I'm German, because I do a look of reading on this. It sounds like you reach this too quick, man. Yeah, what you think?
Boy, based on my experience, every woman different, you know.
No, but what I say, you know, do nothing before you go there, so before you reach there, so I pull back that something there, pan that path or that something there. You know?
Man, then you not go play with that, man.
Then that me want you have to explain because these ladies over here, them particular, I don't know if you've been listening, you know, them want to know because listen, I'm gonna be honest with you. You see, woman over here, you see, if them are listen, you know, and I say, but you know, say, no way, man, though. Them not go come out and say nothing, you know, but them a come hide and link you. You hear me I say? Them a come hide and link you because them don't want nobody in them business, but you see, find them listen you. Because some, based on how you explain the thing in there, you have some one way listen right you know, in them private space, and two things them may end up do. They may end up all across them leg and squeeze up them leg based on what you say. Or open them leg and say, you know, I like that boy, I need for link him and I make nobody know. So when me ask, you know, before you reach a point, you know, when you do that and thing, what lead up to that? What you do for lead up to that? And listen, so now, when you talk, you know, the ladies, them a listen you. But you have to talk in a code door, yeah?
Right.
All right, go on, talk. Make we hear. The ladies are listening you, you know, German.
Yeah,
okay.
Man.
All right, make we hear. You know. Well,
you know, you get your massage oil or your baby oil.
Trouble out.
You massage them, you rub them down all over.
Weird, like them body, right? Okay.
The entire body.
Yeah.
And you know, kissing around the neck, the ears.
Oh my God.
Come down to the big melon them.
Yes.
Down to the navel.
Yeah.
Between the thighs, so your teeth are now.
Sure, you see, you
understand?
To them, German, yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Right. And at the same time, play with the sea.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, okay. So while you kiss, you play with the sea.
Right.
All right. Yeah. And then what?
So by the time you forget to that point there, she already start of orgasm or she wet. And her body start to tremble them time there.
Damn.
You understand?
She probably had pop off 1 or 2 times already and her body had tremble them time. Yo,
Just
German.
away from the big one.
Shall we see that's game? And then what you do now after that now?
And then after that, you know, the whole procedure, as you say, we have to keep it clean. You understand?
Right. So by that time they know. So after your primer up now, what you do? You do locomotive action first.
Right.
Oh, so what you do now? You kiss and go down there,
Of course.
and then fix it up. But then when you reach down there now, how you kiss her or you lick her, whatever.
Well, I don't know if we fix it up, you know, because I just raw, you know, man.
Oh well, we don't want it too raw, so no
Yeah.
worries. So,
You
yeah.
understand?
So wait, are you a kisser or a licker?
Both.
You
Kiss,
both,
liquor,
both.
sucker.
You're a kiss licker.
A mix-up and blender time.
Alright, German. So you say,
man,
yeah. Nah, well, we understand that, you know, you're a kiss licker sucker, right? A kiss licker sucker, whatever. That's like when you get like, I mean, inherent in that definition and that nomenclature. It's obvious that you're not monotonous. You're not one dimensional. There's variety in your game, the way you do your thing. You understand? Your thing diverse. You're not one boring something there. You're a kisser, a licker, and a sucker, right? Some of them boy, you know, them don't even know them as something they have. A kiss licker sucker. You understand? A kiss licker sucker head game. Bombard. Hey, German, stop! I can't beat them so.
Remember, you know, when them go man all in the morning and them wake up, you know, them supposed to feel all the pleasure down the same way and
Remember.
reminisce
So-
all about it. The boss all talk to her and she not even hear what the boss say. She just a think about what go on.
What German they do to her the night before.
Yeah. You
Murder.
understand?
John, see it there. You understand? Well, right, so you want, and I want a woman along them lines, and well, no play Blossom, a Winston Blossom there, because she keep on a post a Winston, she there. But you don't fight against Winston, you know, you're pre-your thing or whatever. Winston, he might get the run there, so be a Winston Blossom a post and thing or whatever.
Yeah,
but,
man.
you know,
I
but,
forget piece of the pie.
yeah,
come
man, Winston, I forget something, man, or whatever. Thing,
But if you not eat the pie good blossom, you know how it go.
well, Winston say him not eat it at all.
Jesus Christ. The whole of him life gone, man.
What on, Winston? Winston, the whole of your life. When you say Winston, I miss out, though. Winston, I miss out, though. John, no.
So,
John, no, Winston, yeah. Winston, I miss out. Wicked. But, German. German.
yeah.
Yeah, one woman, you know, but, she named Charm Sweetness. I think she, you know, I chat that to him.
She for text me, man.
No, man, but here I go on with she, me I keep it 100 and make you know. She's one of them women that you see her, you know, she look unassuming, you know. And she quiet, you know, she not ray, you know. But you see, if you read her, you know the game and you know and you read her. Bad blood clot piece of woman that, you know, you can't come to her when I look at you that dolly house thing, you know, you game off her up, you know, man. Right? And her body strong and firm and whatever, you know. And as you look on her, you can't know say when she at work and nothing normal, you know. You can't come in on a hopscotch and a 1, 2, 3 red light and a jacks, you know. You understand? You have to come like so that thick body strong woman, you know, and how you that work, how you that manage that, you know.
Yeah, man. That's what we like. The quiet one.
Oh. But what me I tell you, say she quiet, you know. But she can be a ratted hurricane when it come down to it, you know.
Them not forgot buy trapalin and everything, man.
Yeah, when hurricane.
A mix-up and blender time.
Yeah, me make sure say you prepare for hurricane, dog.
Yeah. You understand?
Yeah, you can't see, you can't know say storm there, the hurricane a come and you go on with
Yeah,
some
man,
idiot thing or
man.
whatever. You don't, yeah. Have to
Yeah,
make sure
you
say
have to
your thing up.
prepare for the, yeah, man, you have to prepare for the flood, man.
Oh, you mean? For the flood, down. For the flood, literally for the flood, down.
Yeah.
Jano. You see. Anyway, Winston, I call you Winston, German. Big up yourself because your game
Yeah,
different,
man.
you know. Why them make go draft for you, because you keep it 100, You say you want the ladies, them head game, and you say you ready to get them head as stone, whatever. So it's all about being adventurous, like you say, and open-minded, like you say, and,
Yeah, man.
exploratory, all right? So you have a different set of women who are pre you, different from Winston. And I have some women listen to Winston and say, no, Winston, you know, do the something that me and you know. I have a different set of women and listen to you and I say, what? This a German there. Let me give him a link and see what is what about, you right? A kiss a lick a sucker, all right? Kiss lick suck, all right? Big up yourself,
Yeah,
you
man.
know. All right.
Keep it real, Raga, and big up yourself.
Mad thing. Yeah, man. Cool. But it's quite an interesting show tonight, is it not? Apparently, it's quite an interesting show, whatever. Yeah. I go down the line, Me just I go down the line, all right? I go down the line. I go down the line. Going down the line. Watch ya. Who this next? Them don't know that somebody here, man. Who this next?
Rocka veggies fled from me. Make me hide myself in the. Me not even call you nano cause raga. Me a call you nonsense raga.
Listen to me. Just talk, cause you know, say you call for either Winston or German. So just talk upon about a show off your little self and whatever. A Winston or German you call for whatever. So just talk your talk. Talk your talk, but me not say.
Me would rather work with Winston because Winston now walk on your mouth everybody plate. Jeremiah sound like him eat out of every plate.
You see, the man never said that, You see, at no point German said that him do that, In fairness to the general, him never said that him walk on him everywhere. The man say him want an adventurous woman who him can do everything with. Where that translate to like walk on him everywhere and whatever. The man never said
like
that,
him
man.
eat everywhere. Raga.
No, I like you. Apologize to him, man. Apologize to him, man.
Apologize to friends. Why name German? Apologize to German, but he sound.
No, just because the man up front and say, well, no, something wrong with your phone. Elaine, something are coming on your phone and it cut you off.
Excuse you.
Eh?
Raga, you hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you now. Like some call that come in or something and cut you off.
Disgusting, you see. Although me I reject the call, them still a call me.
I saw them stay, man, with them boring self. Them hear you and thing, and why them going to call them when them hear you? Oh, you have to talk to them, sure.
And that me I say.
John.
Who did text? Which one of the man them did text and said lie? Why name
Craigton.
Craigton. Craigton, if you did then near me shake your hand. Craigton, come up in the line. Make me and you run the show here tonight. May we chat, Craigton. Come up in the box. Make we talk.
Craigton shall call you. Kind of hear me.
Raga no know if you run in show tonight.
No, don't bright yourself, here. Don't bright yourself. Don't bright yourself. Okay.
I feel me and Craigton show tonight.
Don't bright yourself. Okay. That not gonna happen. Okay.
Me a bright with you.
It's me running. I will cut off your blood clot. You could have been Elaine looking more here. You go and chat here. All right. You right? You wanna not run the show. Never is Raga run the show. All right, what you say?
Raga,
Eh.
you know Winston?
Now wait, I first me talk to Winston.
Okay, the way you talk to him, it sound like you know him in person.
You see it, you're gonna make another assumption again.
Well, me know
I
Winston.
be assumption you make him.
That's why I go assumption of him make. Me know Winston.
What you mean you know Winston?
Me know Winston in a real life from 2023. Me know Winston.
Oh, you sure she are the same person?
Is the same Raga, me no idiot. I know Winston and I hear part of the story them and Winston tell me part of the story, not every bit of the story what I'm tell you. Some of the story them want tell you Anansi story. Winston have so much money and sitting. Winston been to so many rich woman and big woman and Winston still not have no woman.
Well, me ask him if him not do nothing for 2 years and him say, no, him do things and whatever. Him just want a woman for settle on with her or something like so. But him say, over the 2 years, because I remember me did ask him, you know, like, forgot to me ask him and him said 2 years now. And then later I ask him, so I say, what that means? So for the last 2 years, you know, do nothing. And him said, nah, man, him do things, man, and whatever. But him not find that woman there yet, you know, so I don't know. Or
And why am I take to find that the woman there? Winston too dangerous, Raga. Me meet Winston 2024 upon a boat ride. First of all, me and him attack from 2023. None of that thing, you know.
Right.
And them something. And you know, so same way I go on pan your show, I saw him go on. Money this, money that. Him not talk about nothing. And 100,000 and this and that. And all type of sitting. All right.
No,
2020.
him say about 30, 50 or 80. Him use them there, yeah.
Yes, because him have 100,000, so him a give this a one a 50, or him give whosoever 30, or about 100,000. Him always
Right,
have
yeah, because if him get the
94.
daughter 40 and get the mother 80 or 120,
Right,
yeah,
so
right.
him always have the 100,000 a fee in bill Ford.
So then man
And
say
them-
play race ass and he win money.
I are so nice. Anyway, our Craigton there, come Craigton. Anyway,
Well, let
Raga.
me see if Craig Tan in there. Let me bring him. Let me see if him. Let me see. Let me look at me see. Hold on 1 second. Me must say them hours different over London.
Me
there, you
know, man.
Right, and sometimes you take show off and go and like he can't stay up and thing and he can't do it, you know, and mash him up, you know.
Raga, you just tell me bad word, a real bad word, you tell me a fake bad word.
With what? What?
You tell me bad word.
Yeah, because you gone, Elaine, how long you listen me?
Long time.
Yeah, me not run them joke that with the who run the show thing.
No, man, I just could draw me around to me and
No, they not draw me around too. No, whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I Raga run the show. When the show
know,
run,
man.
it's always Raga run him show. Nobody.
Yeah.
He look like a boy Craig Tanga, you know.
Oh, Craigton fi go away so quick. I want him to
No,
Craigton, man.
hold on. Look here, hold on. It's like him come up here now. Hold on there. I will see Ras, you know. All right. Let me hear what go on between you and him now. Him there, you know, Indian. He not see this
Craigton,
there.
wagwan.
Wagwan Elaine. Me say man, me say me preach and me pray upon the brother look away. Winston, you're a G, that me rate me G. You have it like Winston. John know you. You how much money the man have, bro?
A bad man,
Yo, a 30 of the MJ train a foreign star. The man rich.
a bad man, the man phone him for him money.
Yeah,
No
well,
go
my bad man tonight, you know. My bad man tonight, who want Bex.
Una
Me
bad
no care.
man Winston for him Kyle.
Craigton.
Yes, Elaine.
It's a story in Kongi Raga. A story what me know about.
But in good day, him no go side it, none at all. Every conversation is whap, 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 whap.
Yes,
Wow.
man. Mm-hmm. Seriously. Cranked on the first time me and Winston meet at 2024 on a boat ride. And before we meet, him say, Elaine and me and you go park on the boat ride and this and that and one bag of sitting. And me I tell him, say, me not really par with no man. Me no want nobody to stick on for me. I understand me want it all over the globe. Because I saw me stay, you know, and them thing there. And when me see Winston and see, so me say Winston I tell me about this and that and tell him, me say me want something for drink. Yeah. And yeah, me attack him because him I tell me how him hop them, me say me want something for drink. And Winston just a go round, I mean, no stop.
Yeah, tell me say Winston never buy you something for drink?
We ain't no me say my go round, I mean, nah, stop. Till him ask me what me a drink, and me tell him say me a drink a Red
Raga, me
Bull.
jump off. Me come right back. Yeah, give me a second, Raga. Jump off a second. Yeah?
What? No, you're going go. You're going. You never did the on.
All right, I'm gonna go and come back. I'll be right back in a second.
Right. But yeah,
Hurry
jump.
up.
Right. No jumping on you.
Yeah, man, you know jumper, cause you know depend nothing for jumper.
Yeah, and Winston finally buy
Yeah,
me
come.
one
Just
Red
Mr.
Bull.
May I come 1 second.
What you say? Him a jump off, cause him a come. How we really say? How we really say? All right, go ahead, talk, Elaine. So when you say then Winston say, well, no.
He finally buy me one Red Bull, because Red Bull me did a drink and then something there. That a 2024, 2025 one next boat ride. And Winston did and me I say, me a drink, and Winston hide me on the boat.
But Elaine, respectfully,
Yeah.
it sound to me like when me a hear from you, you know, whatever, you know, it's like you did a run a thing where you say, Winston, me ain't nothing with you, you know, just buy some liquor, spend some money, man, right? That is not unusual for a man pre that in a woman and say, either me not buy her nothing, yeah, man, or yeah, me buy her something later and thing. Me don't want a woman feel like say me a idiot, you come, kind of, you say you press him, you know. Like when Winston attack, you say, yo, me thirsty, or something I want for drink and whatever. When woman do them something with me not buy them nothing.
No, Raga, listen now. Winston know that from 2023, you know.
Oh.
And 2024 at the boat ride. And he must say, Elaine, me and you go par on the boat ride. And me I say, no, me not really par with nobody because me want it all over the globe. Me no want lock down with nobody and them something there. So when he come now, him always tell me about him pocket, just like how I tell about him billboard.
Oh.
And then sometimes I say, Winston, Ray, me want something for drink. And me I feel ask, and me nah stop. Me determined.
What I tell you, say, Elaine? What I tell about the man? Tell me now. He might take up 40,000 give the woman data.
Exactly. And eat
What wrong
with
with
the
that?
woman.
What wrong with that?
Raga nothing no go so number one. All right. Me dey here in a Raga. Cause me have Winston number and Winston have my number. Me dey here one time me sick like a dog. And Winston say, Winston, look me, right? And when he call me, say, Elaine, how you sound? So me say, me sick. Me did really sick. And him say, you want me comfy and carry you go doctor? Me just say no, because me know it not happen. And even then me say no, Raga. If you are look one woman, you not go consistent and say, yo, me a comfy or you figure a doctor.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
No, because me and I not depend on level yet. If I look me, I look her.
Yeah, but you know hear what me saying. Say, Elaine, you want me come figure a doctor, me tell him no, because me know it not go happen.
Right.
Just a talk,
Right.
see it.
Right. But what I'm saying is, if me I look a woman and she's sick and she sound really sick for true, And I said, no, I can't go hospital right now. I can't go and good doctor right now. And she said, no, don't come for me or whatever. Me not go for her.
Raga becoming no sense.
If me,
So me just tell him no.
hold on, man, you are tell me what you make me hear what you are saying, no.
Yeah.
But that's what you are thinking as a woman. Me talk to you as a man now because you interpret, you go to your way for see what him see as a negative. And me and your brother talk to you now.
Yeah.
You see, if me and you there, and you say you're sick and whatever, me not ask you if me can come for you and whatever. Me I come for you.
Yeah.
Me and you there. A different thing that. You know, me I step,
But
me I
Raga,
come. But one on, but wait 1 second. Paulette Roberts in the chat, well, if she said no sound, then she not hear me. Me not understand them people here, you know. Them in the chat. Them see everybody else react to what is being said, right? right, Elaine? Everybody else in the chat argue and react to what is being said. And them post no sound. Right?
Go on your bed, go sleep for you not hear no sound. Just
She not hear nothing. But when
everybody
if,
else
in the chat, if everybody are here, just look now. But them will come and post in the chat. No sound. Right? Right? But anyway. But it is important that you understand that what you're just saying.
Yeah.
Right? Wait there. You see what Winston post? Elaine, if you did really want to in something with me or for me, I would have treated you much better. See blood. See the Elaine, you rich your Elaine. You rich your. You don't see what Winston I say. Hold on. Let me tell you what Winston I say. Winston basically I say, Elaine, me read you a long time. Of course, me did a draw for you, but me read I said there's nothing I gonna run right this with you because you did a move like this. You just want to take this off of me and take that off of me, but nothing I gonna run. Hold on. Me no don't talk. Me I tell you what Winston I said, and your opinion alone matter. So as a man, I may pick up that thing, I pick it up. So Winston I said, Elaine, if you did really interested in me and whatever this and that, in basically I said more than know. But no like Kings never did that stuff for me. And basically you make we know that, you know. So you know, and that never did I go on with you and Winston, but you did want to take a little thing off of him. I read it, I agree with the play.
I never want to take nothing from him. Winston is Ginal. You know them man there what we say. Yo, Elaine, me I come for you for Kayaga Elsha. Me I come for you, me I give you this and nothing. Them just attack.
That is bullshit. You still have a white pan me. You still not say it. Elaine, let me hear you say it. You'd have never know anything with Winston. Yes or no?
No.
No, exactly. I mean, I tell you, say Winston see that. And if a man see that...
Winston never see nothing.
Man, you're going like you're a prophet. Me I tell you, say, if a man a look a woman, if a sensible man a look a woman and a draw for her, and all him a draw for her, a be a go around, come on, whatever this, and he reach a point and I say, you know, say that woman ain't nothing with me. She just talk to me if you say, you know, on a certain level, but she keep me right this and whatever, this and that. So me I say, I saw them man, they move with woman and thing and say, boy, something me can't go on, you know, me just want to juggle and mix up the thing and whatever. Correct and talk the truth and talk up the man them.
Me soon tackle apart the Raga. Me talk something. Elaine, when he approach you, your lyrics are just money in talk about. Just curious.
Over phone we used to talk and just money him treat to man right and this same story why I give Raga I same story ma give me. That may I tell you.
I mean say I want set of lyrics him use all the time then you see it?
Yeah.
You know that.
No, but hold on. All right. Me assume say I want set of lyrics him use, right? Let's be honest. A pum Winston I look. Duh.
That's why I use money.
So what if a man not do that?
Well, Raga,
But
me
the man
not
a come up fine black, the man say, man look somebody, he man look decent girl without eyelash and this and that. Me no better than go buy a fruit, man. Simple. Make it
No,
simple.
when I go around the thing, me nah say
Nobody not go
no,
round
the two
nothing.
wanna go around the thing and whatever. Me understand what I say, you know, because me I run my show and me a entertainer. So me know when me I do when we start attack, you know, not go like, by the way, not go like, you want to come mash up my thing, you know. Me no not go like, you want to come mash up my thing. Oh, no, no, mash up my thing, you know. Me know how to run
Winston's
my
very
show.
entertaining.
Me know how to be
Winston was very
entertaining.
entertaining.
Right? When I go like, you want
Winston
to
was
come mash up
very
my show.
entertaining.
When you go from
Very
here, some man,
much.
right? So me know what me I do.
Winston was very
Me
entertaining.
know
We
what me
enjoyed
did I do.
Winston.
Well, and most people get it. 'Cause everybody.
You think me to get it? You think me to get it? But me only crowd.
Well, no, I go like, you know what, come mash up my little methods, all right? But when me I say, one of them, man, one of them, but on the real door, on the real door,
Yeah.
on the real door. A pum Winston a look, right? And Winston
Yes.
a film game and a money bait him there. Try know say that work with some woman.
Some man, I
All
suppose,
right.
yeah.
So when you come up here and I talk about, look how I go mash you up now. When you come here and I talk about, one thing him have and him now the other lyrics and whatever, this and that. Make them woman here tell you about how much man them talk to. Who have money and them no want for nothing when they talk to the man them, but there is nothing else about them. And them get bored with them, or them get annoyed with them because the man them just believe so all them have to do is pay the bills, and they must take the woman them for granted, they must disrespect them, they must sit down in a house like them a figurine and whatever this and that. Come on, something like that with money, man.
But that's all like Winston. You just describe Winston a while ago.
No, but what I'm saying, when I make it look like say there is like it's something automatically bad for a man lead with money. Men lead with money all the time because women love money. Duh.
Raga, let me tell you something. You see, man come in here in our business place and you know them put on them pouch and left it half open for me see. And that get me ignorant. That get me, choo.
Yeah.
You get me ignorant.
Yeah.
Me cross, me dark them time they become me and say, look at you. Money I used to catch me. And you catch me with your money now. When your money done, you know, feel say me I go left your nastiness.
Well, yeah, me always beat the man them about that. If a money I use catch a woman and think, try have it all the time.
Me ignorant when man I go show me the money and tell me about money like me no used to money and tell me about car and house and them foolishness. They come to me natural, man.
All right then, fine. Yeah, said that. But what I'm saying though, right? Fine. Since you know, so you know some man lead with that and a your thing that, right? Right? Then what I'm saying is Winston realized that say now work with you. But somehow you ever say Winston and Gina and he would never do this and he would do that. Winston figure said, no, I'm not do that for you because me figure it out. Me would have never get pum from you.
So what if me did tell him yes, come for me?
Then he would have probably come for you and say, all right.
Who no come? Him who no come? Winston no that tell me say some problem.
Well,
Make him could no come.
well, all of that possible too because
You have some man
Winston,
them
that
just
say
say
bicycle
some.
puncher.
Exactly.
no, Craig Tan.
You.
Craig Tan.
You.
Craig Tan.
You.
Craig Tan. All right, Craig Tan, let me ask you something. When a woman a work a man and thing and whatever, right? Tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. The woman them who really good pan game, right? Who know say that man ya nah get them chon, right? Is it not the case that them flow with the man in a way make him think say there is a possibility, but them
There's
know
a
them will never
possibility,
do
yes,
it, right?
yes,
and
yes,
the woman
yes,
them do
yes.
that and whatever, right? Say so them say the right thing and whatever and thing like that and me miss you, you know. Yeah, me never hear from you and whatever want you dash me away and whatever and this. Oh, you different. All of them man they over there say them but me like you, me like that. Right? And them keep on and do them something they don't. Now that woman do fi keep a man with ambiguity. If the man go jump the gun now, them are gonna say, Mr. Sir, me never tell you something I go give him a front. I want me to you. And whatever this and that. And then you still talk to me. And whatever. Now that woman do every day. right?
Every
A
day.
regular woman do that, right? And you as a man know for us know say, you know, say she keep me right this and thing, but
Yeah,
nothing
right
I
in
go
that
on
zone
and
there.
so
In
what me
that
I
zone
said,
there.
so me I go say, you know, say Elaine I'm a charge it with Craigton, what right? But here
Mm-hmm.
we know. Me I tell you say, Elaine do that to man enough time in her rotting life. The same thing when she accused Winston about. Elaine keep man right this one and deal with them away. What Elaine was say she not doing nothing with them but keep them right this so. She do that enough time in her life, right? But no, but well on a Craigton, but through Winston attempt the same thing with her now. She got turn around and tell say Winston and Gina like say she had a blood clot Gina sometime too.
Anyway,
right?
Winston was very entertaining. I'll leave it at very entertaining,
Of
Winston,
course,
you know?
Winston.
Yeah, very entertaining.
But I came on and say Winston did nice for the show.
Well on. And plus, when you touch your obia part, you know, the obia part, I'm weak.
No, my vex with that woman there who got over the $1,000 mash up Winston.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Well, the two want to come here whenever I take on Winston. When I see that on Winston side and I look out for Winston, look where the dog got you. Look where Winston got you with the 1,000, with the over 1,000. Right? With the over 1,000. Well, look how much hundreds of thousands Winston spend and the woman can use 1,000. One to turn back 1,000. Make the 1,000 go out and send back 1,000 and come mash up Winston thing, him 7-year thing. That woman they are wicked. Okay, she forget box with a Bible.
Raga.
A Bible for open a Psalm 59 and box her. She too wicked go over the man relationship with the 1,000.
Craigton.
Yes, Leland.
You see when the people them a tell little lie pan Raga show, Raga not stop them in a them track, you know. Him know
Entertainment.
No, you know what I'm saying? I got ban on one thing and whatever, because we're not going to make people not call me now, you know.
Nobody ban me.
No, me ban on the car, not going to make people not call me. I'm going like for the work, come mash up my thing. You want to bright? So, hold on. You think I only uno realize certain things? You see anybody else a call and a spell out A, B, C, D and whatever, this and that. You're going to make people listen and say, no, I'm not going to call and what. You go, man.
I'm sorry.
You're not going
I'm
like
sorry on behalf of
you want to come
Ragashanti
just announce, say, you know this, you figure out this,
But I said it was entertaining. It's entertaining. Very entertaining.
Exactly. You see, great time I say entertaining. What when you think I alone figure out where I go on, the whole chat figure, everybody figure out, but nobody now call up and announce and explain and teach.
Raga.
What?
Listen to me now. One more thing.
You know, mash up my methods tonight. You know, mash up my show, man. You know, mash up my
Ragashanti.
yeah. In fact, go clean your bathroom.
And that she figure do. Yeah. Raga. Number one. Nobody no use trolley in a wholesale. Trolley run in a supermarket.
Yeah, adapt me didn't want that to and him say the biggest trolley. The biggest one.
Raga, you know, so bad, you know. You say, boy, you're born with that. You really think. Just as bad.
No, but me max out that too. I say, no, we'll see. Never say supermarket. Because anybody in there, Jamaica, when you go wholesale, you know, you the back of people, you have your ball up to them.
Yes, and if enough sitting them have you buy them, push it out in a box.
No, but correct me if I'm wrong. Which wholesaler have any space to even walk gonna wear too tough? Like, you know.
In a wholesale crowd, if you sweat.
The crowd there and Jamaica wholesale set up in a Craigton. It's shield up, you know, like, you know, a big what. So all of the goods they back this up.
When me Jamaica, I go wholesale, man.
Right.
Come on.
So now when they finna go in a Charlie and come up a cashier.
And Craigton, for you get too quick and fast, you have to know the person. You say, Marcia, Marcia,
link. You
come
have a
sell
link.
me this.
Exactly.
Sell me this, Marcia.
Exactly.
You
Elaine,
can give
that's all of
Marcia
Jamaica.
Right.
You have a link somewhere.
or whatever.
Yeah, and then the people them
You
in
get
front of
served
you, when
quick.
they're near to do them start cuss and thing and whatever. So
Yes,
me no know
yes. And
somebody
look how
too.
long me
Look how long me
there.
there and thing and whatever.
Nah, no pay them no mind. Just get the thing and go, man.
Yeah.
Yes,
Mr.
yes.
Chin, me no know what kind of people you have a work for you because them not take care of them customers.
Raga is, you know me look about Elaine, you know Elaine, right?
Yeah.
Elaine. Him have all link. Him have all food link. KFC.
Yeah.
All every food link you can think of. Juicy everywhere. So he's gonna put your hand up and get served right away. So no queue. So him just run food thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So at the links on Jamaica, people who you know in a shop. I like that.
Raga, your friend was just come off. Him having AC and him fan on. Who does that? And look how AC cold. Why you want fan for?
Elena, you wanna go over there? So me not go over the video. You're going over the too big.
Hold on. Elaine, enough people do that, you know. Don't ask me why. But enough people do that. Right?
But that don't make no sense.
I used to think the same thing too. Well, you know, so when the woman them I go through for them thing, them.
Yes.
Yeah, you know,
So
menopause
true.
and
So
whatever.
true.
So that, but of course, you're not a woman. But I'm saying, you see that Monica says she do that, Blossom says she do it, but enough people do that, right? And it's different strokes for different folks, and there's some people, including men, who them heat and sweat and get hot different, you know. And you know, me couldn't understand it either. But enough people, and then you have some people now, them not like them AC turn up because it do this and that to them and dry it, so them keep the AC low, but them have them fan pan them and thing, but the AC still low. So you have different configurations.
Yeah. Still because me not understand the part there.
Yeah, enough people do that, man. Enough people do that. Enough people do it.
Okay.
Me not do it, you know, because my thing is, it don't make no sense, like you, so me agree with you, but me see enough people do it. I ask them and them I say, no, me like so and so or whatever. And this and that. And, you know, work different for people.
Oh, you mean say you not go over there so with me Craigton?
No, you see, when you German argument then no.
Yeah.
The argument cause socks, shoes, slippers, everything, water boot put on. I can't manage it. Can't manage over there, so boy. German heavy.
Well, you can't manage.
Heavy, wet and deep.
No, but
Can't manage over there, so.
You see, you're insecure, though. Yeah.
Me not insecure.
No, you're insecure because German make the woman them had squirt 4 times and thing, and you probably never make a woman squirt. Bad mind, German. A bad mind, German.
I have read intensively. Anything you want to answer that, it's up to you.
Yeah. And then here, German say regular make woman squirt, yeah? What you mean? In general, good like that and whatever. Bad mind, the boss. Yeah.
What's I'm doing thing, brother?
You see, Elaine listen and think, Elaine did a cross her leg here because she knows that any German ever call her and think she wet up the whole eye shop. Right? She wet up the whole eye shop and fling with pink flying.
You know, when German I call one person come to mind, you know.
What?
One person, you know, I see them, I don't know why. I see them come to mind, you know. I don't know why.
Why?
I don't know. But I try to work out why when German attack rated, I see them, I say, wait, why?
No, but why you put Sinner with German no? Why?
Why I mean no me rate Sinner, man. You know me rate Sinner anyway, you know? Yeah.
German couldn't manage Sinner. When all German are going and I tell him about Sinner, he couldn't manage Sinner, no, you know. He couldn't manage Sinner. He couldn't manage Sinner. I know you man you know Sinner hold that man. Sinner say, you full of so much chatter. Come here.
Sinner bad, yeah.
Yeah, man. See now one of them woman that you know do so much to grab you know, you fling her off back, man.
Raga,
and then move
you
to
make
her.
a mistake since night. I say, let me tell you now again because whosoever never there yesterday, you wasn't here yesterday, sir.
Oh yes, that's true.
Oh, cause you know, so me go to bed late and I say when somebody say last night, I say don't make me say the show there.
Yeah, I mean, no, all kind of thing. And then by me come in, it was
No, you don't need to explain. We
no,
understand.
but just I
It's
said
alright.
it was just after 8, and I was just so exhausted. I was just so exhausted. Me just, and I'm close, me drop asleep. Me just knock out, you know.
Me up till after 9, and me see after 9, and me click over there. No, me just go wrap up.
And you know, so usually when me nah go do it, me post something and say no sure tonight.
Yeah, not never
you know?
good, yeah.
Right, but me did want to keep it show, and then the traffic, and then this come up that I'm coming, me just lay down across the bed, and boy, on a boy, it was just
Big up Beverly.
exhausted last night. Exhausted. It's the last night, and you know, like some good something that I run for me. I couldn't take it last night. I couldn't take it.
I talk you a talk, man.
She want to satisfy herself.
Talk you a talk.
What talk?
Well, you see something run for you last night and you're so tired that you wouldn't happen, right? That you say, yeah?
Yes, we don't know ego, we don't man, we don't know ego.
I ain't got no ego, brother, but sometimes...
What? Correct time.
Yeah.
You never so tired and exhausted yet that you say no to good front.
Enough time.
Okay.
So
All
why
right.
can't happen to Raga? Me dey on Raga side now.
Yeah. Take him on, Elaine. Take him on.
I'm sorry.
Take him on.
Elaine, do Elaine, do Elaine, sorry.
Take him on. Right. Take him on.
But
Yeah.
if me have my money and him coming tired in Raga and say him can't manage nothing, me I go and do my little thing with him, you know.
Even if him same tired and can't manage nothing.
Remember, and I'm a move Raga, now me I do everything.
Great thing, you know, say you have them woman that stays up with you. So, all right, then lay down. Me would do what me I do. But me say me tired. Me still have to go do something. No, man, me make it come and do my thing, man, and whatever. And I'm still stubborn, you know. You see the one K, look on K, boy. Yes.
But switch it now. Switch it around the other way now. Them tired and you decide, say,
no,
if
you're
you-
the
if you
thing.
try to
No,
know the way,
you're
them
the thing.
attitude.
No, hold on. You're the
Say
thing
all
now.
this.
No, correct. You're the thing now. You have some woman, you know, and then tired and then can. That's it. But you have some woman, you know, correct time. And you know, say, Elaine strike me at that time. Me tell her already. Elaine strike me at that type of woman there. You see, from Elaine and fear man who she love and him she there with her whatever. Elaine, I one of them woman there, you know, and when she turn on a pop from him want it, you know, she a give me. No,
Me a give me.
Because them the man pleaser.
no
You
man.
love please,
Now
man.
I sister, you know. I'm a Jamaica there, you know, man. Hear me. And hear me there and strong piece of policeman there, whatever this and that, man. And one day, hear me, and him a come in and I will say, hear me, and I tell her, say, hear me, mash up, you know, man. And I say, hear me, I want me to you. She say, me never get flu so bad yet. Hear me, weak, you know, man. Him a feel hold her up, you know. And my brethren, Delroy, him did it too, and whatever. And we are talk to her about what she forget. And we're then in an extended conversation about different things where she can do. And Delroy, I'm really good for them traditional something there, you know. Where him get from his mother. And we did there talk, and I tell her, hear me, weak out, you know, hear me, mash up and weak out and whatever. And then after we talk for about a good half hour or so about different, me I said busy and then I said no, this and that, all kind of stuff. And hear me barely move and me hear me say to her and say, all right, come we go F. And thing and whatever. And I was just like, what you mean go F? You know, she say, you're having a near-death experience right I know. And I will never forget any hear me say, I'm sick. My pee not sick.
Exactly.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Sick, I'm raising my body sick, but my pee not sick. And whatever. No, correct, you have some woman cool, so you know. Yo, for them want them thing, they want them thing, man. For them want them thing, they want them thing.
And the next one is that tell them vex.
What?
The man in an argument, whole day, war. And when the night come down now, she make you know say, boy, me and her talk, that means me and him vex, don't just a vex.
All right. There are two things with that. Because me and one of them, can you have some woman, you know, You and them were in an argument and a war about something or whatever. And shellings must still go on.
We can't do it.
Right? And then we just do it and a chat to one another.
We can't do it. We can't do it. No.
No. Well,
No.
I'm going to be honest with you. Me can't do it. Me can't do it. Me can't do it. Me can't do it because, you know, me can't do it. Me can't do it. Right? Me not that focused on something that's so, right?
We can't do it. We can't do it. Me know man what it's still, brother.
Yeah, because you see for them man there, if you really think about it, you know, for them man there, you know, it's all about, it's almost like, me and you worry about me need for masturbate, you know, you.
Yeah.
Because them me just need for come or whatever. Which is different from me and you worry and you show off yourself and I go on like you don't want to come running from me, come here, you know? That different. Yeah. That different. Yeah. I mean, we cut up my face and vex and whatever and draw face same way and thing and whatever. And you know that's something that a man and woman like, and she a give you to, you know, but I go on like she not give you or whatever, you know, but the vexation there, but I want to look a nice something, you know? You know what I think there? I look a playful thing and whatever, but me rather me and you there, and we want to do it, I just say, come, we do it. We ain't in a game. I'm too old for them frig with it, right? Yeah, we're going to do it. You understand? Yeah, we ain't in a high school bullshit, right? You see?
And Elaine, it was great talking to you, Raga. I'm going to listen to you and I'm going to jump off. We keep saying it, I'm going to leave her now.
Yeah, leave. Because I know you depend on jump off and whatever.
Jump off.
Yeah,
that's the way we speak in England, you know, we speak, you know.
That's the way you speak in England?
Oh, mate, don't let me start now. Don't let me start.
Okay. Well, I prefer if you don't do any
By the
jump
way,
off.
Mr. Elaine, you like him, I'm going back to England.
I prefer if you don't jump off over here.
All right, mate, I won't jump off. Don't get nervous. Don't worry. You're safe. Don't worry about that. You're safe.
Yeah, we don't want to jump off because anybody that jump off me one day come tell us that they want to jump on. And when I depend on that, yeah.
So young people they say, why? Why for that?
Why for that? Yeah. See, all right, my brother, big up yourself, man.
Bless up. TamFam, love.
Yeah.
Evoking, make that thing there, evoking. Make that thing there, make sure you know. Yeah.
You get the thing there. Them out of luck now.
Look now. Squeeze 7 and the whole of them, I don't know.
Yes. Rah. Bombard. Hold them, Elaine. Hold them.
Big tune, man. Big tune.
God.
Yeah, all right, correct time, big up. But back to you now, Miss Elaine.
Cool.
Yeah.
Back to you now. Yeah, come over here, go and like say you're the brightest one in our class and all these things.
No,
like
you know me
like
shaky.
Yeah, like you want to come mash up my thing. After me I run my show and Winston are nice up the show. I know if I juggle with Winston and thing. I know people enjoy the show. I do my thing. I do what me know how to do. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, go and like say you want to come mash up my thing. Go away, man.
You see you now, Raga, you're coming like some people. You see me and Craigton a gang you. As Craigton gone, you ready for me.
Then on, you did do that too. You did do that. How you did do that? I did Marcia you do that with the ANC. No, when I time when
Marcia, me hot and spicy.
no, but you remember one time the ANC come feel strong and you quat.
Yes.
Yeah. And then you quat. And then after that you have beer chat. Yeah, one time, when Antasha they come to the drive-by and shut up a place and empty a magazine on the place. Antasha, they slap on your foot that night, then, you know.
I want big.
Yeah, man, I humble you. You could have even, well, I know.
What did June me did come back with?
Me don't remember, man, but Antasha did shell you out, man, and you try talk and couldn't talk. You did humble like a lamb.
Me not afraid of nobody.
No, but you did come back with that.
Yes, remember, you say Elaine come back poorly, but she not afraid of nobody.
Oh, yeah, but later on, that after Antasha gone.
Yeah.
Because when Natasha they come and spray down the place and empty the clip and thing, Elaine, you sound like you know when people are gonna go baptized and I give over them life to the Lord and them just humble. Yeah, you did a role like you in an embassy line down a Jamaica man and you have beer manners, you have manners and just humble. After Natasha goes brap, you turn idiot.
Yeah.
You never know how to respond to that.
No, sir, she do it too quick and
Yeah.
fast.
I know when she do fear thing, she creative and smooth, and she have a way for
Yes,
kind of,
man.
you see, when Antasha go shell you out, she lull you first, she says something to make you feel good, You as a idiot know you're a fool for go follow her, cause when she do her, so she do her thing, You understand? So me, the seat a come, because I know her style, See it a come when the car a drive up smooth with the light lock off,
Yes.
When the car a drive up smooth with the light lock off, and then when she reach close, she goes, and shed you up.
And you know, sir, a Del Marie cast that drive by there.
Cause she a wicked too. How what she do?
A Del Marie and my little friend, what she? Java! A Java cast drive by.
Yeah, Del Marine a wicked too, cause Del Marine, the two are there, Java and Del Marine, them
A
set
Java cast do, yeah.
A
For real.
Java the car drive by. Oh.
Yes, man, because remember, say me and I did argue.
Yeah. And then Antasha come in and say, what? The sister them a war me to hear. Yeah. And I saw Antasha come over with a big bazooka and say, too much long argument over here. And I'm clear the field.
Yeah, man. Kill her and done with her.
Yeah, and just shell you out and thing. Me say, yo,
yes, my love.
An embassy line, a communion, you're there in a Catholic church, me I tell you, Elaine, you're humble after that, man. Me I tell you, man. I never know man.
But the night with Marcia Goodas, I just frightened. She did frighten me.
Oh, Marcia Goodas?
Yes.
Marcia Goodas?
Marcia Goodas, you know, remember the night when she frightened me in the shop?
What you mean? Being frightening your own. When me
a go on with myself and I talk about her, and then you put her up in the box and me a go on same way and she run out, you see?
Yeah.
Remember me tell her me jump, Raga?
Yeah, because you never know me did bring her up a true, and catch you off guard.
No.
Yeah. No, you did quiet down that night, because you never know where she come from or why, no.
I frightened.
I couldn't
Me nearly
talk.
jump out of my clothes.
Yeah.
One night when she said, show yourself. Hear me the way I panic. Hear me naked. And the people, them I say, oh, she feel naked.
Oh, you been naked and you're in the shop.
In the shop.
Yeah, that shit was funny, man. That shit was funny. That was hilarious. I think I remember that time I said, Elaine, if you're naked and you're in the shop. Or even naked and you're serving in the shop, Elaine. I lie, you tell man, you get beaten and turn idiot, though.
You got it. My people, them at a club, Elaine there.
Yeah.
Make she naked.
Yeah.
Mighty
Boy, you
God.
drag car or whatever. You turn idiot and can't even find a good
Idiot,
car.
me turn.
I couldn't even find a good card for draw to rat in. Yeah.
Mighty God.
Get your pride with that one day.
Anyway, no Raga, have a wonderful weekend and the TamFam them, you know. And just keep safe next week, you know?
Yeah.
And anything what you're doing, just put God first.
All right. All right, mama.
Yeah, man. So just go and take care of yourself and your family.
All right. I'm going to bed no kind of bed from morning. I use the thing I send for you for rub your foot back here. Use that.
Yeah, but Raga, me tired to tell you. You better you tell me say me no love bed at night time. You better you tell me that.
Because from your rise at morning time, it's sealed up, though.
Affy beard. Sometimes I when me open the shop door, maybe 1 and 2 customers stand up out there wait for me, or sometimes they'll call me, oh, you know, come out there. So me say me I put on my clothes, whatever. And me go in the shop, then say you smell nice, and me no put on no cologne or nobody, just me lotion and me roll on.
See it there.
That's all me put on.
Hold on. Wait the alien. It look like today a Daniel birthday, you know. So Antasha tell her happy birthday, you know. Today a Daniel birthday. Elaine, sing.
Happy birthday,
No,
Daniel.
sing something for you, Elaine. Sing something.
All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you. All right, listen to this now. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year pandemic. Next year you're doing it again. Daniel, happy birthday. Long life, success, and prosperity. Everything that is good, girlfriend. And may your food basket never empty. And what is the team logo for over here, Daniel? When it's your birthday?
Tell her.
Tired the next day.
You must tired tomorrow. Okay.
Tomorrow. Yeah.
So happy birthday, yeah, my
Daniel.
friend. You only do it by your birthday, them. So that show tonight, take the full strength because next year before you do it again.
It again.
Yeah. All right, Elaine, big up yourself. Here.
Raga, it's hot in a man.
The heat down there, hot down.
What?
Well, turn on the AC and the fan like German.
I don't have any AC or fan, me have Raga.
And you come here and I pass remarks against German and German have him AC and him
No,
fan.
me
Eh?
just ask a question. Me not pass no remarks.
But if a man have him AC and him fan and a blaze the two of them together, you say a bad man have China and AC and thing. You fight,
Raga, you
against
know
him.
say AC run up the bill?
Then but I care zero German thing up, right? And you're going like you want to come this general thing because
No, me German,
AC
me
and
not
fan.
this year. You don't follow Raga. Me only ask a question, sir. Say, who does that? Because you me know say AC is very cool.
Yeah, but him used to the cool because the man they used to foreign.
Me not used to foreign. Me only have the passport and no visa.
Me just make up something for the boss still, but
Big beer, bless
yeah. Something wrong with him, big beer, you know. You don't know,
Wow.
something wrong with him.
What?
Me don't know, him not sound himself lately.
Eh?
So, you have man,
What
you
him
don't
not
know
sound
what.
so to me?
Oh, you
What
have
him
man,
not
you know.
sound so to me when me and him talk? Me and him talk every day and him not sound.
Oh, well,
beer.
you supposed to know or whatever and thing. Because if I were them attack, like, you know, like when they give people big foot and it affect them speech. I saw him sound.
Okay. Well, him good man. Him good.
Say
I trick him, I trick
Say
you.
Libra Queen say hot and spicy mash him up. You see it? Woman, you can't have woman and walk and I say next woman mash up your man, you know. That no sound good.
A lie she a tell.
Libra
A lie
Queen put it
she
in
a
the
tell.
chat. She say hot and spicy mash him up.
A
Right?
Libra Queen a look him.
What?
Libra Queen a look big beer. Lie she a tell part and spicy.
That's why she bring up them something that she look big
Yes,
beard.
because big beer now look hot and spicy.
Oh, that's why she come and pass her remark. Yeah.
Yes.
And I
Yes,
bust me
because
back
she
in.
want me to have yipe and hot and spicy. I no have no yipe and her, but she me have yipe and.
Oh, see then now
She
Tory
can't
come to
trick me.
bomb.
She
Tory
can't
come
trick
to
me.
bomb. Tory come
She
to
can't
bomb.
trick
Yeah, one Libra Queen. She a draw for big beer and that Sykes, no.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because Raga, me know people in a real life what carry news come say your man this and your man that and a them I look your man
See them.
and a them and your man a joke.
No, but we have a problem here though. Earlier, when I think a Winston when name they come out and said them a look somebody and whatever. She come out and say she a look somebody too. So then when me go say so and so and so, she said, is a woman me a look?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Say,
She original. She not look no man.
no. So she put in her chat that not my cup of tea, Elaine. So she not hide it.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. She not hide it. A woman and thing there.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay,
Hold on, the
okay,
Elaine.
okay.
Java, what go on?
Yes, me want tell Elaine say, Libra Queen not tell no lie. Remember when, me I go remember as always.
Eh.
Remember when Elaine did I go married one time?
Mm-hmm.
Who at us like did say she a come at the wedding with?
Me no remember. Oh, Elaine,
Oh.
that spicy she a come my wedding with. When you want I have him the name.
Yes, have.
Yeah, when you on top did forget married. Who at that spicy she a come the wedding with.
Me sure it was a big beer.
No, because your Big Bear never did that yet. It wasn't Big Bear.
Okay.
Remember, it was your ex-man. She did not come at the wedding with.
Cooker.
Wow, okay. You have man so till a man confused.
No, hold on there. Yes, Raga. Something that what did the police station.
Yeah, something there. Yeah. You never remember your baby father name. You was a homeless girl.
So telling Kevin.
No, you
Well, Elaine. All right, Elaine. You see what me I tell you about Java though? Yes, it's not lie me I tell you.
Yeah.
Java, then she not forget nothing. me totally forget about that, you know. Me totally forget about that.
Yes.
Okay.
True.
When I hear her, you know, I make she go on, she come over here talk about she a win with memory. No, Elaine, you are not. You are not. I mean, I go fight for that one because guess what? People come over here and fight a good front. She looks can't take man. Me not fight for none of them there. You say the good memory crown, if Raga even get it, me I snatch it off of your head like how the beauty queen is snatch it off of the head of a woman head. You hear?
No, Java, you did go make a mistake and tell lie for me about the near. That's why.
You know why me make the mistake? Because the scenario there would have something would have happened to you. That's why.
Oh, okay.
That's what I thought like one story would have fit you.
Java, you're right. What you mean that to the happened to her? What you know about
Out
order. When you say
Java,
no,
we
Java.
go down the road there back
Java. Oh, you for say that? No, yeah, basically say you know, say Elaine strike me as somebody who near with a burn up her front. Like, oh
yeah, because remember you never use near yet, so maybe you wouldn't know if you use it, so it could have happened to her.
Well on the Java, Elaine. Wait the 1 second. I'm gonna stay right there, so God, this person.
Yeah.
Because let me see something here. Wait, don't move. Let me see. Winston, what you want to say to Java and Elaine?
No, man. Elaine, man, I don't know what kind of mix-up is Elaine.
Elaine said you did a look car. You did a look car. So what wrong with that if you did a look car? What?
Elaine don't want nobody.
You did a trick me then.
No, man, I don't want nobody.
Why you say me no want nobody?
Yes.
You don't want nobody, Elaine.
Yes. Winston, no clown. She did not go like she want to come clown you. No.
Yeah, man, Elaine don't want nobody, man.
You see it.
At the blind man, she want a Dean. She want one blind man with him Dean.
Well, that did not want. Come out, I found the Winston. Move from me, found the. She never want you at the blind man. Elaine, no, you not talk. What a way you dumb now, eh?
No, me I listen to him. No follow Winston. Yeah, don't follow Winston.
At the blind man Dean, the show come on where so come on hijabing program come tell PLI.
Me and that
Come tell
them
PLI at
on
night time.
every day.
Oh.
Every day me and him post.
I didn't show her, man.
Yeah, so she want the blind man we can't see if you do not know whatever this and that, but because you can't see now, she don't want you because you can't see the foolishness now.
Yes,
What? I want me to you, Elaine. Make you laugh, so. Elaine, I make you laugh, so.
Well, I know.
make him on talk.
Well, I know.
Talk, yeah, Winston, talk.
Well, I know.
Talk, Winston.
Listen me, I say to you, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
The blind man say alien too maga, say alien too maga for him. You know, want a maga woman.
Well, on there.
Alien must sing on him lap one time.
Winston. So how the blind man knows say alien too maga? How what did happen?
Elaine said such must sing on him lap one time, man. You know? And he must hug her up, you know. I know all over we are blind and somebody sing him lap and you hug them up, you can trap them fat or them slim, you know.
Yeah.
So and blind man come by a jobbing program at night and come tell them what lie about how him buy car and him buy this car and I tell Elaine this and Elaine that and all them thing there.
But you see, Elaine come here with tour pan, you do I have tour pan her too.
Raga.
Well, no, I want your Java opinion pan it. So Java, based by
listen me.
Well, no. Winston. No
opinion till me talk. Java fi hear my side of the story
all right,
first.
that is true. Go on, make we hear your side of the story.
Me and that man cuss every time. So don't follow Winston. You hear me? And that man is enemy and that sure. Big enemy.
No, there's sometimes when people like each other, them argue.
No, me and him a big enemy.
All right, hold on. Oh, the blind. Oh, all right. No, hold on. Before Java talk. Oh, the blind man come for no say Yamaga.
All right. One day me da half a tree. Listen now.
Okay, yeah.
One day me da half a tree.
Yeah.
And me see him in a one place, one plaza. A shake, and me go up to him and say, Dean, and them some now we start talk, and him give me a little hug,
Yeah.
and I eat that.
And I saw him know him. Oh, but you see how life funny, me tell you, most of life problems, is because who people want, no want them, and who want them no want them. You see it?
But me no want
A Dean you want, you, and Winston did a job here, you go, and you never stop, and you're proud, or you never stop till you get the one Red Bull off of Winston, though. Right? And then you come and want to style him, and but him mean, he wouldn't do it, he wouldn't carry me to hospital, right? You see, well, I'm going to hear Java take on it now.
Yeah,
Java, what you think I go on?
All right. For no business in a full fight.
No,
So, we never go too deep. That's just one.
Cockroach in the business in a full fight.
Cockroach in business in a full fight. Yeah, and me have to protect the reputation of the ANC. So I don't want later from now, Elaine come say, ANC they come out and they tell me long time now.
Okay.
So
All right.
we not do bagga. We not do bagga. We're not so we leave it alone.
Leave it alone.
We not
All
get
right.
involved.
Not get involved.
Yes.
Yeah,
And the blind man not there have to defend himself either. So,
Yeah.
because he might have a story too,
Yeah.
Because me did done draw the conclusion to say that Elaine there, she's a thief, and I believe Winston. She want man when I want her. Foreign man she want because she's thief. And anything she rather do with the blind man is rob the poor local blind man. That thieving guy is Elaine.
Where you say Winston? Where you say?
Jesus.
Winston,
No,
yeah.
sir.
Yeah, where you say?
Raga, you hear me?
Yeah.
Anybody who know me knows me that I mean, man.
All right, yeah.
Anybody who know me
Yeah.
knows me that I mean, man. You understand me?
Mm.
And from once me interest in a woman and see a woman, she not have to ask me for nothing. Me just
But
get
Winston, the people, they must say basically them hundreds of thousands of what you say you have for your sicky work and thing. They must say, a lie you tell Winston, what you have to say about that?
yeah, well, they want to talk anything and I'm free with talk, Raga, man.
Right.
Then I feel more cross with talking anything, man.
Right.
But listen, Raga. Not for them who are talking, Raga. Me not will listen to them. Cause you hear me? Cause some type of people where see me know it in their life now. Like right now, me have three cousins in England and them are millionaire. And I never call them and beg them a dollar yet. And them born and grow in England. And then they come out with them little bit. And I used to look after them. And I three of them there in England, yeah. Right now, and I mean I call on them phone and make them nothing. I say Almaster Griffiths, eh?
Who?
He say Almaster Griffiths, eh? I mean no Master Griffiths trying at the 80s, eh? You see the music video they were to Master.
Lad, no, Winston, you're going to one bag of sitting now. You know, if you're going to one bully for something now.
No, listen, man.
No, you're going in a book and chapter, Winston. You're going now your cousin them, millionaire in England who used to come down here, and now you take care of them and thing, and then you switch going to Master Griffiths and thing and whatever book and chapter. No, man, Winston, we are keeping punchline level right now. All right, then. But anyway,
No, man,
you basically I said,
no, man, no,
you
man.
basically I
No,
said,
man,
when you
I
didn't
tell you,
buy Elaine the Red Bull and thing, and they even didn't want to buy her the Red Bull. That she lucky she never choke on it.
Oh. No man.
Yeah, laugh.
No man. I don't know like that, man.
No, entertainment.
But Elaine, she don't want nobody, man. A foreign man she want. A foreign man Elaine want, man.
Oh.
A foreign man she want, man.
Okay, that's why she.
Elaine, she alright, man.
That's why she and Big Bear are linked, no?
Yeah, man.
A Big Bear, they are foreign, you know. They are big foreign.
Yeah, man. A foreign man she want, man.
All right, Winston. Bless up yourself.
I'm blind man she want, and she want blind man.
Yeah, foreign man and blind man.
We are combined jobbing program.
All right.
And I about him buy car.
All
And
right.
then blind man can't drive car. Yeah?
Nobody might have a chauffeur. All right. Anyway.
And about him buy car and I know him come our sister shop come support her and this and that and sort of thing where Elaine tell me with the blind man I say.
All right, Winston.
Mama see we she don't turn and take a picture with the blind man I go in a taxi and I say go to the blind man saying one car and I take taxi. And I go in a taxi downtown on a big tree there.
Well on. Elaine, we never hear about that part there with you and the blind man in a taxi.
Ask Winston not tell you it. Winston not tell you nothing. I never said me I go in a taxi with the blind man. He said the blind man I go in a taxi and me I take picture with him.
No, well on, Winston. Elaine, you never really fix up that good, you know. Were you I take picture with the blind man when him I go in a taxi?
Me I take picture, not with him. Me I take picture of him then.
No, but Winston, clutch. But Elaine, you know, tell Winston, you basically, you never say it, you know, but you give the impression that the only time you did see the blind man at half a tree when him did hug you.
Yes, Raga, but me see him at town, but me and him not talk again, Raga. Me not tell us I be a cuss with cuss, but me take a picture with him at town. Him no know, so me take the picture.
Okay, so all you see him for take a picture at town.
Raga, listen to me. Me and him, me see him at half a tree and me approach him. Then time that I first
no, we're
time.
not there half a tree now. A town with it. I down that town with it. Come back a town now. Go back downtown. Yeah.
Go town, go shop.
Yeah.
And me see him down there. And me take a picture of him.
So hold on. So you and the blind man where you say you are with all the while. You talk together all the while differently, though?
No, we not talk none tal.
So that day they when you did downtown and whatever, now you want him to plan for meet downtown, for him buy you something?
No, Raga, no. Me got turn off and me one and me bucking down there. You know why me stop talk to him, Raga? You know why me stop talk to that man?
Hold on. So you did a talk to him then?
Yes, over phone and them thing there. You know, hear me say me meet him at half a tree. So you know, for you meet somebody at half a
so
tree.
when you talk to him over the phone then or whatever then, so separate from you and him, say, Raga, me and a man ain't nothing because we cuss all the time. But, even though you say on the cuss all the time, you and him did a talk over phone enough time, correct?
Yes, Raga, that's when we just know each other. Listen, my Raga. All right, we are radio friend, right? Radio friend, like call me enough of them a friend on your platform.
Yeah.
Right? Me go half a tree. Me see my half a tree in one plaza because him always talk which part him da shake him like a thing. Me go fi meet him, and you know how we greet and then thing, the exchange number. We talk on phone and then some there's phone friend. Him did I talk to one of my friend, and me and the girl, a good friend, right? Big woman, she a big woman. Me not go call her name because Winston a parrot. Him did I talk to one big woman, and them some there. Me and the big woman a friend, and him a tell me say him like me, Ileana, you me like your little body and this and that and Karanat. And then me a say, but you talk to my friend or something, and him a say no like my friend. Me a tell my friend what him a say, and them something there, and she a say, Ileana, him a tell me say him couldn't deal with you because you're too slim and this and that. So we have him back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And one day the lady voice note like tape him and sitting. And me send it to him phone because you know say blind people smart and them something there. And then me deal with him case and me not deal with him again. I be a war, we a war.
So I did after that you see him downtown?
Yes.
All right, and when you take a
About
picture,
a month ago me see him downtown.
so when you see him downtown and thing and you take him picture, only they talk to one another?
No, Raga, no. Me go up on the radio and me like me da go and say, Ragashanti, me say me go downtown yesterday and guess who me see? And them something there. And like you da say, who you see, Elaine? And me I say, me see the man who say him have car and him down there. A butter fi taxi and a sonnet and a bleach taxi and a one. Yeah, then kind of me send the picture to you already, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
Your sister not lie, me I tell you, understand me?
Oh, so I did get the picture already.
Right,
Okay,
right.
okay.
Yeah, me and him and a friend, so no follow Winston.
Follow
Yeah,
Winston.
don't
All right,
follow
then.
Winston.
Well, you explain yourself and things like that.
Mhm.
Yeah, but Winston just a defend it, you know, can't take it to him.
Yeah, just that. I saw me know say you see Winston now. If you tell him a secret and you and him kick off, him a go bust the secret.
I wouldn't say that.
Yes.
No, Raga, no.
No.
A story come to bomb because
Yeah.
a Indian first come over here, come fling out Winston business, so you not expect a Winston to go defend it.
That's the point I'm about to make.
No,
So,
so not see anything why would I do?
no, Elaine, what job?
No, Elaine, but are you first?
And you come fling out and say, me know him. And Ray. And I said,
Yeah,
Winston,
but he
come
could
back.
have keep quiet.
Then you couldn't keep
No,
quiet
you
too.
could have keep quiet. You could have keep quiet. If you did keep quiet, Winston won't come talk. Winston knows you over here and he never come load you up.
Raga, look here now. Let me tell you. Let me say something to you. See, before me finish. Me and your friend, you see? And me and you talk something about Java and something. And you are going to go back go tell Java what me did say. Not because me not go tell Java what you,
No,
what you say.
Elaine,
no,
that is not
No.
what is happening.
No,
here.
Elaine, that's different.
That is different, Elaine. That is not what is happening here. And it clear, Elaine. Winston come and talk, him talk, right? You say you know Winston and thing. Java, right?
Yeah.
You never say nothing. You cannot beat Winston no. And I say, Winston come and say, so is you come and make we know say Winston this and him tight and this and that and Ray and him buy a Red Bull and one bag of sitting and dinner and whatever and you take it to him. So Winston now I come up and I say, no, Elaine, me come for come I defend myself and you gonna make it look like say Winston a push you right now because I'm coming and say them something. Winston is responding to you and you roll out on
What
him.
Winston say? Winston now make no sense.
Well, I better
because
you-
him a go like me and the man.
hold
did
on,
them.
hold
Me and
on.
the man never
Hold
them.
on,
Me and the man are the
Elaine,
just friends.
Elaine, I better you argue that, but you can't say Winston, you know, this and that up now, Winston come talk and him shouldn't talk as and so on. So, are you do that to me? Winston, I respond to you. Winston never mention
Well,
you. And you come up here come mention him.
Me and the man was just radio friend until we buck up halfway tree.
So, well, and you sure you never kiss a blind, you never kiss Dean?
No, Raga man. Oh God.
What you mean, oh God, what wrong if you kiss Dean?
Him look nice and everything, you know. Only problem, can me talk already when me just meet him, he look nice and tall and in trapped in my body. Only problem is him blind. Choo-choo.
Okay, so
But me never kiss him. Me just sit have him as a phone friend, you know, where we can reason.
so none at all. You never bite him yet.
Raga. The number one, Raga. You know that can load me up on the program.
Nah, do that, man. All right.
Nah, do that.
We get the clarification. We
Yes.
understand the thing better now. Winston,
Yes.
you stand up for yourself and come defend yourself. That means, yeah, man. Right? Elaine, I'm a charge, but right is right, Winston. You, Winston, you're right. We're not going to come beat you unfairly and balance up your thing. That's why me and Java take it to her right now.
No, man. Then Elaine tell me secret to and I'm a Minotaur. Elaine tell me secret to Minotaur.
All right, don't go there now, Winston. Let's write this
You
up.
never tell a secret.
Leave
Get your ass.
Leave it right
All right,
there.
Elaine, done.
All
Done.
right, leave it right there, sir.
You never tell him
Finito.
no secret yet.
Hold on, leave it right there, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
tell me secret and
Hey,
Minotaur.
Winston, listen to me now. Winston, listen to me now. You hear me? Winston.
Yeah, man, I see you too.
Yeah, see me too. Listen to me now. Is it sometime when you argue with woman? Listen to me, you know. Is it sometime when you argue with woman? You have to get, it can reach a point where as a man, give them the win. Let it go. This is one of them points. Let it go, Winston. Trust me upon that one. You hear? You hear me, sir? Nobody talk about
Yeah, you mean that, definitely.
yeah, man. The time when you argue with woman and them are going with them and think, here we take it to Elaine, right? And think or whatever. But there's sometimes when you argue with woman and them now let go certain things and them depend on as a man, you have to let it go. Don't follow them up. Don't follow them up. Let it go, make them think them win. This is one of them moments there, all right? Trust me upon that one there, yeah? All right. And that is that. I want to thank all Chiana for the juggling and idea. Yeah, we love the energy and thing, you know. All right. Big up on the
Yeah, Raga, but I want to tell Elaine to not tell no lie upon me.
With what?
Because, yeah, when she come and she talk about Delmarine, it wasn't Delmarine and it wasn't me. It was Munchie. When the war with Antasha did come with the drive-by,
It's true.
it was Munchie first.
But hold on,
Because I remember me and the
you did come in for Munchie.
No. Yeah, but me I say no, that was September. That was No, Elaine, remember Munchie first, Colleen, and then Antasha, and then the people them I say, hey, they are gang upon you. When Munchie come pull up my ear for the party September. That was when I call and tell about your bunny me.
True.
Yes.
True.
After that me call and tell about your bunny me.
Elaine, when Antasha did do the drive-by, it was after Munchie did call in by herself.
Yeah, when Munchie did done her first. Yeah. And then Antasha call.
True. And then Antasha
And me,
come in.
and then there was
Antasha
before,
come in
yeah,
with the
and me call
bazooka.
September.
And clear.
Yeah.
Antasha come in with the flamethrower and burn up everybody. Yeah, that's true. She right, Elaine. She right.
Yes, because I never have no TikTok. Remember when Munchie come pull up my ear, I saw me did call in and tell about if I bone meat.
That's true, because I remember when the ear did the too tight by your head.
Yes.
Whatever.
All right, Jenky.
So, Elaine, if you know, so you live in a glass house, you fling a spoon and you know that.
Yeah, boy,
No, not glass house. I can't cream, love.
Well, they have glass window.
All right. Blessings.
All right, then, later.
Yeah, man, cool.
Hey, Tracy, back it up a long time in a year. Anyway, you're there, you hear this, not know if you're good or what.
Yeah, that's true.
We miss you.
Double act Tracy. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know, yeah, all right. Yeah.
That's, good move right there. So, yeah.
All right. Yeah, big up yourself, Marcy. I go on G.
All right, cool.
All right. Good night, my lovely ANC sisters. I love you.
Whatever.
Come bye. All right.
Yeah, Winston, big up yourself, you know. Here, so respect for your juggling, here.
Yeah, man.
All right, maximum, my brother. All right, cool. Yeah, but I kind of chill that, because it was about to get testy. No, let's go right this way, yeah, Winston, Winston had a little drop you. Oh, you mean? What you mean? You never tell me no secret. You never tell me. When you come here, basically, Winston, I say, you come here and roll out for me. You forgot. So you tell me secret, don't. Yeah. And Winston look like him did. Winston look like him go in with it. I said, no, Winston. All men, listen to me. Nothing wrong enough for no defend on yourself, Nothing wrong enough for no defend on yourself. You know what I say? For years, I tell you all of this, some on a year, this about 10 million times. Bear with me. For years, when I there in Jamaica, I mean, I go on bad pan radio, man. And every woman me there with me, I mean, kind of keep my thing low and whatever, but, But anybody who know who me there with and whatever, the running joke with them, them come back and I said to me, say people think, say, like, you're just terrible and you're just disgusting with me or whatever. Every woman know me there with. And them always end up if I tell them, say, nope, he's not like that. And if you go to him with any cussing and whatever, him shut right down. That's me. Right? Him shut right down. And them always have to explain and say, no, you can't. He's a man, him not going to talk to you if you cuss him, Him going to just walk away and go silent and Then him say to you, boom, when you're ready for talk, come talk to me. You're not ready yet. You have steam or you want to let off, or you have emotions and things like that. And whatever. See if you're a man, you have to set the pace, right? And even when the woman them cuss you, and say, I want to cuss him, I say, I don't know why him not answer me and whatever. Actually, you don't know more. And when woman run up them mouth and go on, so you see at the end of the day, listen to me. You see, when woman try to dry out and then tell you something and try to dry out and whatever, and you hold it, and at the time when you do it, they must say, yeah, blah, 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 style and whatever, after I'm not afraid of you. You see, then same woman, and them go tell them friends, say, who him? No, him not a cussing thing there, or whatever. And them see man, when them see a next man a cuss with him, woman, after him and another man, you think we could all go try that with Raga? You think we could have go try that with Mikey and whatever? Mikey would even fart for me. After him, man, him did a trace like them see him when I talk about that about the man. Even when in at the moment, them I say the most, when them emotional and thing, and them see man I go respect you. Later if you know say you not roll them way there. Right? Trust me upon that one, them know me I talk about, all right? See? So yeah, you can argue sometime or whatever, but if you see if you reach a point where you get in that kind of ugliness there, as a man, let it go. Let it go. And if them want to think them win, make them think them win. Whatever. But you just carry yourself with that respect there, Right? And when you do that, after a while, I always tell people, just keep being yourself. And the world will have no choice but to adjust. Keep being yourself, and the world will have no choice but to adjust. Right? So if you're a man, you're not argue and whatever, then me not like it, then me say this and that about it. But after a while, them don't even try to argue with you anymore because them know it not gonna work. It just not gonna work with you, Them adjust. You understand? Yeah, proven. Right? And there's some things that we men get away with, and there's some things that women get away with, all right? And the woman, they may fight it and thing, but at the end of the day, it may society may change in the future, but right now, them know certain things that we men get away with. And just the same way, we as man, there's some things that women get away with that we not get away with. You understand? And sometimes we just load them, And it's less stress too, Yeah, and then if the woman keep it up, run with her ass. You understand? Lego that. Right? If you talk to a woman and she just toxic and a be a cuss and be a attitude and be a this and that and whatever, you just take time easy off that, man. You don't need them stress there in your life, right? And I want pum the boat, right? And if you're in a relationship, it shouldn't be only about our pum from a relationship. If you have fun, I want different thing, you know? There's more out there, right? Make sure so you carry yourself where you're an options guy. You always have option, I know that. You understand? So if you choose to stay, you want to stay based on how Miss Lady I relate to you. Because another day, you run your life. Right? And she run her life. And the two of them run on a life together. Alright? But always remember, just conduct yourself in a way where a woman would have no choice but for respect you. When she not like you and cuss you and this and that, at the end of the day, make sure they respect that, you know. And don't try to change a woman and this and that if she not rolling her way for respect you. And everybody have to respect you. And try to change somebody, just accept it. If a person that not respect you, move on. You see it. All right. Anyway, 7 minutes to 11, you know, we know it's show nice in the night and 10 minutes. If you see it, you see 9 box. Yeah. You see 9 box. No, all right, you know, so I bring in one more person and thing, you know. Because I think she 9 box long time, you know. She a soldier in that thing, you know. Pretty one queen. Pretty one queen, what happened? She drop asleep to rotted. Like pretty one queen drop asleep. I probably never did that come up, I don't know. What? I joke this. Ten people in my box, you know. I have to Lego now anyway, still, you know. Person come up. Well, this damn thing, you know. All right, people, big up on yourself, you know, all right? And again, do remember, saying, you know, no show tomorrow, obviously, on Friday. But next week I won't be here because I work. I have to work. And bills have to pay, and the work require is such that I won't be here next week, okay? So I return the other week, the following week, Monday. All right? Y'all take care. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful week. And for those of you who up at night time with me over here, at least you get like a little week off, all right? See? Sincerely, Shantana, big up yourself, you know, seeing Barbara, large up, Blossom, Raga loves you too, okay? Big Beer, big up, you know, Sandra, boom, Addy Throat, all right? Blessed, big up yourself. Bernardine, large up, Driver Mayor, Fritz, I see you. But Chacha them, I don't see Chacha. Mr. J, big up yourself, you know. Say Chacha there, say there. Ascot, large up. Neil in the building. Yeah, real soldier that, you know. Man, they support Reggae and TamFam. Straight. You understand? Give thanks. Munch British, conscious kings and the whole world. Sweet mango. Sinalicious. Pretty one queen, you never see me did bring you up. We think you gone on your bed, me bring you up and me I say hello, 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 and you not answer. We think you gone on your bed, we think you drop asleep. All right, K, big up yourself, you know, CBS large up. And Tasha, you don't know. Vanessa, evoking, spiritually blessed. Spiritually blessed. I hope next week come and go on quick. But do remember, say all of the show them over YouTube, TamFam TV, okay? All I show them over YouTube, TamFam TV, all right? All right, outer road, cool.